you turn off the fan for? Are you the pay the light bill in here or me?
No, mommy, I me come close. I'm not the fan chop me. If your fan did have one head, I know you do so bad. Boy.
It not chop you?
No, mommy, we me I come close to that chat me. I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, remember your age. Not because you're 19. Me's your mother. So careful the way you go say to me because I no joking.
I not say that bad.
Okay, go on talk me and listen.
Mother asked me, say, how you and daddy meet? When I did my age group, 19.
I used to sell front from the bridge. And I meet him one night and he tell me, say, if me plan to come off of the bridge, like, let me explain good and tell you. My job was selling front on the bridge. Every night. Me have to date different man. But one night, God send your father come to me. Me have to say, God, me no know who else in physical must God. Because the amount of man them when me used to have to sell front at night time, if you send you go to school, and then God bless the little money where they give to me. Only God understand. You maybe not. I mean, I think you will understand. But that man come up the night, drive up one Chris car. I don't know if I did for him. But all me know is saying drive up and saying like me. And ask me some question. The first question he asked me is, he said me have to go promise him. But me have to be truthful. So me say, what is that question? He said, if me take you off of the street, make you stop sell front, would you be my baby mother? And I said yes. But me no hesitate now, because guess what? Me no have no way fit on. Me never live now where me did have to sleep down a beach.
Mommy, cut the conversation.
You don't want to hear how comes me get to your father and your father bring me and give me you.
I think you tell me something better. I think you tell me something about a sugar cane or
why
something
you want me to tell you a lie?
No, man. You have to tell me, you could have make up something.
No, I'm not telling you any lie.
You could have said yourself, sweetie.
Wish me I'm sweetie, me I tell you the truth. You ask me a question, so hold on. So me as a mother, fi tell you as my daughter lie. So when me ask you a question, you plan to tell me lie and come tell me about sweetie.
No, man.
I'd mash up your brain.
If ever me, and me that sell that, what you that sell.
No bother with it.
Never ever tell my daughter.
I know one good job, not take up it.
Me could never do that job there.
I lucky me front not done.
Who fi tell say no done, mommy?
No, it don't done. Me not done. Me know say not done. Woman not easy fi done. A man will more quicker fi done than a woman. Yes, it is true. But I will not invite you in that type of job. Me just tell you something they go through in a real life.
Me don't even hear about it.
But at true, all in a church, me go pan sitting there and go confess.
Yes, mommy. Me talk about my situation, because you just ruined my whole entire mood. So, me a big girl and now, and me a 19. But they come to you ask you how you meet daddy, because I don't want to know how I go meet my man. But me now, for your story, if you wrap up in a one bag and dash for one bush, that name for talk. And you talking proud?
No, I know.
You talking with the head wall high.
I know.
And I say, yes, I jump up on big Chris car.
I know, proud. You
proud,
ask me a question, so me answer you, but me don't want you go them the direction.
You don't even want the head, so I say,
me not say it, me not shame, because me been there and done that, me change. Me not still in front anymore, me darling. And me not ask you if you go in them the road there, because them the road they rocky, rough and full of patrol. You will never finish that journey.
Mommy, me a plan for have a little
unless
boyfriend.
God come in here, eh?
You plan for have a little boyfriend now.
Yes, of course. Why not? You reach the age. I will not tell you not to talk to any man, but make sure the kind of man you talk to, because things that I've been through in life, I don't want you to go through them, because man will take you up,
already, me not go to them again.
No say that you're young. Me older than you. Me born long time.
Mommy, when I did my age, you party you did preach.
Then that was the only option for me that time. But now me have sense. You
wash somebody clothes.
Eh?
You could wash some people clothes.
Me wash clothes myself front, me do all kind of sitting. Yeah.
Take time to talk. I don't want the whole nation know say my mother used to sell it underneath. Take time, it's an embarrassment, man. I suppose, no, me know the reason why. Me know the reason when they have the careers there over school. This is the reason they never come over there.
Careful.
This is the reason why they never come over there, mommy, you know. Because you couldn't come over there and tell the people them say my mother are selling front. What a good thing you not come over there, mommy.
You know
no,
what?
Me know the reason why you not come over there.
It's not that.
It's what?
You know too much till you don't know nothing. The reason why I did not come by your school at your career day is because somebody picking them over there. Their mama know me, because me and them are used to the on the bridge and do the same type of job. So me no want them come pipe me out and go on like them decent and me used to sell front. Me know some people say things what them do, them not talk about it, then just talk about things what other people are do. So true, me no want them whisper, me stay far.
So mommy, me just think about something while ago. You know work I know, right?
Where me get money from?
Yeah, sell front side do you?
Hold on, me go show you something. Me go show you something. Me stop sell front even though your father leave me and gone. When they say leave, you know what kind of leave. Him pass and gone and I'm me one. Me I know idiot. Your father stopped me from selling front. He was a good man to me. I wash people dirty clothes as well. I say, look here. Me can't lift up him. Help me lift up him. You see that? Okay. And this I went buy from yesterday. You use it already. You see this rice? It can serve for a month. And me alone. And when your friend them come over here, you can cook and give them a little dinner. You see where my pani? You know much with this? See there? You know pull. You know pull yet. See there? I know use all it. See there? A good sitting.
Mommy!
No.
See the rice pull yourself.
No, you know right now you don't do that. You know pull it. Left it. Make it stay out order.
Make go up on the road,
Make it stay. Where you want to go to the road, go do now.
Me go walk and say me find a man. Papa, me will have a better. At least I'm up on the bridge.
You're not going to walk and look at work. You're going to walk and see if you find a man.
Mom, when you did my age, you know. You
no mix up for me age.
You don't look at man.
And then the time there.
Just see you go up on the bridge, you never look at work, mommy, you don't look at man. But no worry. I'll carry a good man. I won't pick him up off of the bridge like you.
Oh, Shanice. I'm glad you're in here in front of the fan. I want to talk to you.
But me are going to mommy, what going?
No, hold on a little bit. Tell me something. You is 18 now, and we have both woman. And you must start have feelings.
For you?
You have a boyfriend? You have a little boyfriend?
No, mommy.
No? What make?
I'm not ready for them or something there. No, I'm not a boyfriend of mine.
No, Shanice, you can talk to me, you know. You're not shy if you tell me. Because I'm not going to put you in trouble. You're 18, you're a big woman now. And nothing wrong. Because I must so say you have feelings and stirrings. That's true? Alright, so you don't want a little boyfriend for keep company and share joke and get little things.
I mean, to be honest, me go find one. Like how you want me if you have one, go find one and make you happy.
Alright.
Yes.
And not for me if you're happy, you know. We want you happy.
Alright, me go find one in due time.
Alright, but make sure you find a good one.
That I think the good one them hard to find, so it maybe take me a while to find that one.
Alright, but look and get a little experience out there because sometimes in this life you have to walk. Remember when you're a baby and all babies fall down when they never learn to walk. So sometimes you have to go fall down in a relationship. So you pick yourself up, you brush your body off and carry on again.
Alright, mommy. Me I go up on the road now, up on the road, me did I get ready to go. So I soon come back.
Alright.
If me see none out there me like, me tell you.
Alright. Yes, man, and that's you for do.
Hello.
You see insect?
Hi, good day.
Good day.
How are you?
I am fine.
You know, say I pass, and I just want to say you look nice though.
Thank you very much.
How are your name?
My name is Kayla. I know some look nice. That's your stop me.
Of course, no other reason. So where you head to now, Miss
Oh, me I go down on the road.
Miss Pretty Kayla.
Me I go down on the road.
Oh, so Kayla, I couldn't get to know you.
No.
I mean, no.
But to get it tap me just to compliment me for my body. I realize I tap me if you look me. I don't want a man like you.
What do you mean?
I don't want a sharp broke pocket man.
My pocket not broke, I'm in a short.
You're short. I want a man can look up at bang with you. Where you go?
May I show you?
Where you go? Just about me talk. Me want a man can look up at their face. Me look right in your face right here, so I look up. One tall man. Matter of fact, what kind of work you do?
You know, if I tell you the truth, though, I don't go to the hotel and walk up the beach.
Yes, he said I said damn thing, me can't go work out. I want a scammer. I want a man on a walk. I want a man with the dollars. Uno for the beach, for the hotel and the money. I have a dry shit on the body.
How we tell us, sir?
Me just know, sir.
No, man, Kayla, you have it twisted, man.
No, I see next thing to you see me now.
Yeah.
Me is a hot gal.
Hot girl.
Me are just 19. Real hot gal. Want a scam who can spend the money so. So I say what me here for do, you know, itch, you know, flitch, and dash on the money. I'm a man who can bad me up. I want to lick a boy. When me attack, then I talk back. Then go on phone and then walk out. Me need man to go and stand up like a man. Real bad man.
Like this.
No, me don't want you. You don't.
Man, I want, man. What you laugh? I'm not true them cash, man. Kayla, look for me said man. Let me talk to you. Not true you them long just a slide and cash, man. Kayla, right now you laugh and I feel funny, you know.
It's just funny, you know. Come just to the back, we go.
Yeah,
Oh God, man.
You then crash, but me not crash. Right now, if you give me a chance, me carry.
No, man. No. Me don't want to tell my life. The argument done. Me don't want a broke pocket man like you. You don't have no money. And you see my ear, you see my ear long?
Yeah.
You look, you see never sit a hard pan go like Rapunzel. Say, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. You can't afford them to something. You're a broke pocket man. You if I'm a Rottweiler, me right.
Let's see your name. Kayla. I add it to my to-do list.
Mommy, I have a piece of toy to tell you. I have toy to tell you. Mommy say me I go walk. I say me find a man. You know what? I say all the dirty crosses boy stopping in my way. Eh?
How we want bread, so? Why you stopping in your way?
Mom, I look, mommy look nice and how me this and how me that with him black self.
Boy, man can look on a lady and tell them so they look nice, but it depends on the type of man.
Mommy,
So what you say?
You know have to think about it too, mommy.
Yeah.
Guess where I walk?
Like, cut people yard and
No.
so? What?
He work at hotel. I want me. Work at hotel and I want. Watch out. Look for me, mommy. Me a hot gal.
Yeah,
You see, one of them a make a hotel can't take care of this body. Yeah.
I like.
Me don't want a broke pocket man. They ain't no money. A scammer me want. A scammer spend the money. I hype life me. Look at mommy. I have a friend there, you know. What did I look on a video with her? She on a car top.
What you not say to me?
Yes.
So a car top you want go pan?
I mean,
Come here and
I put that my bumper to the car and twerk it, mommy. Hey, mommy, I want to. Hey, mommy, you said I put it through the window and me clap it 2 times. Hey, you know what? No, I'll scam I want with the big bems. Scam I want.
Come here.
Scammer.
Me hear you say me love. At the age of 19, you don't have no ambition. So through the man or the boy, whatever you want call him or style him, they work at hotel. And if you type that day,
No.
you want scam her.
Mama,
So you want go on car top, you see your friend on car top.
no, and a car top me simple, me tell you. I see her in a car. And one man say, bloody horn, princess, bloody horn. Mama go,
You ever hear them say this year?
I can't be what going
Me know you ever
Hey,
hear them say this?
scam me once.
Follow fashion monkey never drink good soup.
Oh God.
So you under me roof.
I'm to follow you.
Me no want you follow me.
Oh.
When me went up on bridge, no scammer come round yes so.
Oh God.
Cause anyhow, me when they with scammer when me dey on the bridge. Then that do it, give me the money, beat me up and take it back.
Oh God, man.
Why you want to do that scammer? Scammer no good man.
Scammer have the money. Scammer have money. You see him book all the right clients. I eat that food, no?
Fi uno
Oh. When he dash out, yo, you
So you want
more
chop the
to
line?
spend money, pa. Me no want no broke pocket, man.
Okay.
Any man me didn't have to have money. But me here go and do. Me I go want money. Woman is very expensive and man who work at hotel can't afford that.
Alright.
Me and broke pocket man. Me and
So the
poverty. Listen to me. Me and poverty cannot work. So
Jesus.
back off. Cause me and poverty can't work. So turn right there with your poverty self. Cause a poverty life you want. And me no want poverty
I
life.
remember say me mother me talk to you know. No push me down in a poverty. I will never go there. But you nah stop until you choose the wrong
Look at me,
man.
man. Look at me. Look at me. Look how my body shape nice.
Yes,
Look how me
you're
sexy
young
and
nice
round.
sexy and round.
Like dumpling pound. And you want to cut him for go there like man there. I had to think about it to me into short.
I know English pound, not dumpling pound. Yeah, me see it. Cause you want scammer for
I know
chop
what-
the line.
Yeah.
And you chop the line with
Yes.
the scammer.
Yeah.
And carrot up and put
Yeah.
your body through with
Yeah.
and shake it.
And
Which
sweet.
roof you go stay under? I hope his scammer house he put you.
Yes, he got a big man chan.
Hotel and
And like this a board house, yeah. That scammer man. Hey, mommy. I chill on mommy.
Be careful.
Me a bright future ahead of me.
Me see it. If you go there with scammer and lose your life quick and fast, you're damn fool.
You bad man, me.
Me know. Me is your mother, me bad mind if you tell you the truth. You know want to pick up one ambitious man who work at hotel. Eh? And they getting good honest money. You want to go there with thief. You? I
Mommy,
left
he
you
not
time.
thief, mommy. He never force the people, man. Tell people himself to send him the money, you know. He never force them. And them be fool and send it.
I hope you people them.
Oh, me never.
Because they could never
Mommy,
in their
I
right mind
don't
and take up their
business.
money, send come give.
Mommy, me no business. Which party you want to get the money from? As long as he must spend a lot of money for me. I'm here, I doing everything alright.
Are you not business where it want come from?
I don't give a, I don't busy where I want come from. I don't busy about nothing else.
I not damn you
Fast
went to
life.
front of me. I not damn you did go say in front. Oh.
Fast life, me I look.
And you want go in a fast life.
Mommy, you see your life, I did have a little soul life. I don't want to be like you now.
Oh. You want go in a fast one.
Fast life.
Like fast and furious. They kind
Fast and furious.
they kind of care they.
Hey, yep.
Mm. I wish
Without
you
my
all the
big bumper
best.
no.
Me wish you
Hey.
all the best.
You know what you cook?
You can't say me never want you. You scam man not have the money. What you mean?
Me no friend scam man it man want tall, nice. I'm like bad man to drape me up.
Ratted wall.
Yeah.
How would this
Me don't like a little play boy, like a play boy and I go on with nothing nowadays. Want a man for me say, eh, he say, boop.
Me cock a fart. Hold on there. Who they give you sense? I God or the devil?
You.
No mix me up. Don't mix me, no put me in your blender. Cause when you're there with your scammer man, you cannot stay underneath my roof.
Mommy, this a talk, mommy.
Me know.
Sometimes I feel like a talk too
I
much,
do.
but no look
Me
boss
talk
to
can't
eat.
too much.
You know, me love my
So me they tell you the truth and that we don't know. Me chat too much because me I tell you say if you look one ambitious man and mind you pick up the wrong man and lose your life. Me
I
chat too
can't
much.
take an ambitious man right now. Ambitious man don't have nothing.
No,
Want a
that's
man
not-
with money. Fast life me around when no soul life, a soul life I go. I can
you
die at any
not say?
minute. So but me want a scammer and you have to be a bad man. Because if you're not a bad man, me take jaws and beat him.
I know me and your ma. I know me and your mama. Me I
Don't
go back
worry.
down at the hospital where me have you go ask them if they switch you.
No, yes sir, mommy.
Make them backtrack it.
Me
go back
I
in
got
and
straight
them
to my
sit there
food
and
out
go
of the kitchen. I get some food out of the
Which year you
kitchen.
did burn and everything and see if I switch you and switch you because you're damn fool.
Mommy, you not understand you know.
Me know so me not
That man
understand.
there where they work at the hotel and I no dollar.
Yeah.
Him broke like a dog.
And the scammer have a
The
dollar.
scammer me want fast life, cock up bumper out of car and twerk it.
Turn around let me see you. Turn around. Turkey let me see. So I then think they go along without a road
Yes.
look man.
And then the next thing too, me want a man for me say, me I say, go over there so, in just back me say, behave yourself. What about? Wait till me find my man and go introduce him to
No
you.
man, me have to go care go fasting let them pray for you.
So
Something
for
wrong
me,
with
yeah,
your
later,
brain.
I'm gonna get some food now.
Something wrong with your brain. You want to go fasting. One pastor need to pray for you. Because you not talk like I say you have sense. Jesus Christ.
Hello? Yes, sister. No, listen. Yo, me tell us the client. You know, listen me. Me say the client send $2 million. Yes. Right now, you sit down on 2 more %. Yeah, man. But other that, me want to go higher in the science. So me can draw down whole heap. Yes, sir. That's what they're rich in, that's love fun. Yes. Hold on, show me up back then in 5 minutes. Interruption, yeah. Alright. Hello, excuse me.
Oh,
What on? Evelyn, what on?
How we all do it so?
Oh, me come out and cool out, you see me? The office all over the place, you know. What?
I'm Shanice one. What is your name?
Oh, Shanice. You can call me Jack.
Oh, so Jack, how you do for your living? Cause
Jack of all shade.
look like a,
Banging line.
yeah.
Yeah, man. I tell you, office all over the place, man. everywhere me go bang, you know. I saw we bang and make a million, die 2 million. Yeah. We just dash the phone, add our next phone. That's how we do it. You know, cause we have to chop it up. So, what?
Some all kind of food that you have on for somebody.
No, man.
A chicken crowd.
Yeah, when police come and say no. You just,
Like a farmer.
right, but if you cock out your foot, so, like you was a scam on the bleach at them, the police will jar them pie. If you wear your pants and your body, yeah, that's a red flag because you spend time man a call for mate. At that time, they all on them pants and them body over foreign in a station, in a where call it, GSL, where you look for?
And I bag me that check.
Oh, the money, man, the millions. See them? Me not cap, you know. I tell you, baby, me not cap.
Like how you have them in the US though.
See there, me not cap. Money,
So,
So Shanice, so
money.
they say
Me
you're
not
there.
cap, you see it?
Yeah.
Me not cap. Me have money.
Hello.
Hello.
this is my mother.
Oh, hi, mommy.
Hello, pleased to meet you.
Yeah, I'm here.
So you're my daughter's friend?
No, me just know her a while ago. She just pop up a while ago. I was on my call dealing with some clients, you know, and she just pop up.
Okay. Should we see you in a big conversation?
Oh,
A big pile of money.
no,
Come on.
No, not really. Me just show her the ropes. So me not capper.
Oh.
Me the top star, you know. So me just try to show her the level. Say, well, we have office all over the place, you know. We live from one place to another place, you see me?
Okay.
Where you go, mommy?
Well,
1 minute, don't move it now.
No, me there also.
you see the pile of money him have? This look like a good man.
Mommy, me I deal with it.
You land on your foot. Remember, sweeten him up. Make him feel good. Make him feel nice. You land on your foot, girl.
Yeah.
All right.
Like a big step.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Huh?
if my mother go and about her business.
Yes, me I go down the road, go buy some shopping for go cook some food.
No, man, mommy, love that. No need to cook. We had a food for you, yeah?
For me, I feel.
The whole entire house, buy a bucket of chicken, 21 piece. So we can,
See,
yeah, man, we can put up something in the fridge and then we get up
we
and
don't have
make
no fridge. We don't have no microwave.
no fridge and the microwave. Oh, I chum change that.
You buy them?
You man, chum. When I just show you a Kyle US.
I like that.
A chum change many more is there where it come from.
A long time in the eat KFC. Don't
How
let
long-
me down
how
now,
long-
you know.
How long now in the KFC?
Oh God. About 3 years. Go back. About 3 years.
Alright, I'm going to get a 3 bucket.
Locks.
Yeah, man, 3 bucket to cover the 3 year.
All right. Do not take long. Yeah.
Yes.
Come hungry. Not take long. Thank you.
Alright.
Hey.
Your mother is such a doll. Yes! Like you make me like how your motion is, you know?
So, take my number them now. So, when you buy them, I can know which part of car them come.
Alright, take. Yeah.
Save it as Shanice baby.
Yeah, Shani's baby. You better put my name, Popeye Baby, so me see I come in and say, Popeye
Change
Baby.
in due time. Just text me. Text myself so me get the number.
Alright, well, I get a business call, yeah. Alright, yeah, man, look more.
Make sure remember.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah, man. Woo!
Oh God. Yeah, man.
Mommy, no two in a year, no. You diss me. Yesterday, me I tell about this scammer man. I tell him, go look, man, I do 9 to 5. Pan the road, me I go. Oh, me look. You think the body will get the scammer man them? Think the scammer man with that top and look me? Talk to me now. Talk to me, mommy. Talk to me. Oh, me look. Me look DNT, not true. I go judge me. So why you don't talk? You dumb? Can't get the tongue? So why you don't talk? You afraid of me?
I'm not afraid of you.
Oh.
You just watch how you work your life slowly go straight to your grave. Because he's an idiot. You are my daughter, but you're damn fool.
Mommy.
You no want no man we work 9 to 5. You need a scammer man.
Yes. Me
Okay.
tell you say I want to do like my friend. I want do on too. Me want punk on. You know hear me I tell you? You know hear me I tell you? Me want the man on the top part of the car and say pumpkin, blow the horn. Me want go pew, pew, pew. I'm going to come out and shake my ass 2 times so. Or the window.
Mind your job. Anyway,
What?
cow can't hear war.
Let me ask you a
It
question,
neck
mommy.
belongs to the busher.
Let me ask you
Let me tell you
something.
something. Stop follow people. Post and dog don't have the same luck. Hear me I tell
Mommy,
you?
you're right.
A scammer you want?
A scam I'm going
Scammer
to
you
get.
going get.
Yes. And the first thing you ever say, I agree with you. By the hook or by the crook, a scam and me want. And you have to think about it too. You see, when you there on the bridge, I sell your body, I never say nothing. Me never say nothing. Me never bash you. Me never do nothing.
Come here. Come here. You're 19. And me notice say you pass your place with me. True you reach 19. 19 don't mean say you're mature. You only have the age. Me will shut your box and lean your job on you. You hear me I tell you? Be careful when you talk to me. Because I don't know what kind of scamming style this you take up. True friend.
I'm not true
You hear me I tell
friend.
you?
Me just want to live the hype life. And change wig back a wig.
Follow fashion monkey never drink good soup. Let me tell you the same thing. Who can hear we feel? You hear what me say?
But mommy,
And you can chat about when me de Palm Bridge. You know the Palm Bridge again. That was then. This is now. That was then before me breed with you. Since me meet Siopa and me breed, me come off a bridge. Me build this a same little piece of house where they discriminate all the while. And they go on like and say, I know him there from birth until now. You dey come exalt yourself. Listen to me, little girl. I will tear off all your breasts them. You think your blouse me want to check out? All your foot them, all your wild pipe me will pull out. Cause you go on like I say you don't have no sense about scammer this and scammer that and friend them
Mommy.
on car top. You a idiot.
mommy ask you a question, mommy. When you go plan to finish your house, cause look there, a back there for button up window.
No worry
A
about
side
that.
text. When you plan for do this, yeah?
No worry about this. Me have this long time before you born and since you born me put on the front room pan it. God will help me to put on one next
You
room
see,
and
yes,
the veranda.
alright.
Me no want no money
All
from
right,
you, so
guess what
nobody
now?
talk
Guess what
about it.
now? You see, if God, yeah, wait, pan. To help you build up this year, make it look better. It better me go there with that scammer man. It better me go lead down with that scammer man and get your money. Jesus.
Evening.
Me heart a beat. You frighten me, you know?
Evelyn.
Mommy.
Frighten you.
Me come up on the road. The lady frighten me, man. Me come up on the road here.
Me I talk to you, me not finish talking to you, you know.
Mommy, I don't want the people to know my business. Me don't want to hear my name out the street. Cause the people who you call your friend is not your friend. Cause they can chat people business.
Hi,
You see.
little girl, you got no manners.
Hello, me at 19. Me chat anyhow I want it and you come in my yard. Oh, me gonna invite you over here. So make me call like you want to come talk to me.
You don't know me a who.
You know me, I'm waiting afraid of you.
True, your mother my friend, you know, little girl.
That's a little true.
True, your mother my friend. You don't know me a who. Can dare you come check you know?
Mommy, later, me come go pan you. Me still cook little food for me. Put little food for you. Put your foot in it and make it taste good. I see this little old fart yard.
Hey, clear.
Where you go?
Andy, how you making that to turn so? Anyway, you're good.
Hold
girl.
on. Me I go out this off if you go take out that pan there and come back.
Alright.
Guess what? I know me can't believe. Said this little girl grew up, reached the age. Wait, where you do? You never fix your breast here good? What happened to you?
We just have feel it up, you know,
Where-
car.
where-
We just
where
get,
did
we just get my welding done, so we just put myself back in a
People
place.
have grown up back at me saying, anyway. She gone? Look here. You hear what they going right or so?
Yeah.
The no manners thing. But me not surprised.
What make?
Me not surprised. The type of man where she want, me expect her to do anything.
Oh, you put her on the job. You give her the links.
Charmaine, not do that.
No do what?
Don't say it again. No make me hear that drop out of your throat again. Because when me and you went up on the bridge, that was then, this is now. Me no inna them the game there no more. Me nah make me daughter go do things when me used to do. And a matter of fact, you know say, all me and you used to dep on the bridge and I know scammer man me and you used to date.
A scammer man, she you know. Well, she
Okay.
have little sense. She have little sense. Her money she pre, her money she go get. A scammer man around the things, you know.
Kiss me right.
What we used to do, the money scammer man I make now. Lord, we used to have to open up and clamp up, Lord. Till me raw.
What
A
you
quick
talk
money
about?
that day.
No.
And if you don't want her to do that, then put her in our line. Then man, you're going like say you never used to do it.
No,
when
listen
anything
to
wrong.
me. So, what you tell me, say, Charmaine? What you used to do? Your picnic if you grow come up and do it too?
My dad, hey, my dad said the
even-
queen from the bridge
even
now,
if
you
know
know.
the same thing you make them do. You have to watch them and go down the drain and don't try to stop it. And that you say as a parent, as a mother.
Your mother and father could have stopped you, they couldn't stop me. And me can't stop my daughter. And right now, my daughter, the queen of
So
things
true,
for
your
the bridge.
mama not tap you. You not fit tap your child.
You think he can stop the young people here? You know, see how headstrong them be.
If you even cannot stop them, you have to try to talk to them, encourage them about good, and tell them the bad and the difference.
You encourage about good, me encourage about good.
Eh?
Me say, you encourage about good, and me encourage her about good.
Who the?
Mm-hmm.
Who
Me don't want-
you the encourage about who? Your daughter?
The we used to deal with some crazies. Me no want my daughter make sure her the red flag them. And I teach her what to do and which ones them for, you know.
Charmaine, that's
Because she
good
not
something
to
you
work
do.
hard like me
I know
and you.
good something you do. So where you tell me say you are put out your daughter to man. We can do anything to them.
Hey, my daughter take man long time. Me just a show her to use her brains.
Kiss me backside.
You're going like send her the first job on earth. Sure. And that me come for check and see how you be man.
Me alright.
Yes.
The only problem I have is my daughter. I think about fit then with scammer man and don't want to deal with a man that work 9 to 5. Cause she a go make me know say. And so she dash in my face. Ploy. She says she no want no man who work 9 to 5 and they work at no hotel cause them the man they not no money she needs. Scammer fi go cock up and car top and shake body so. Me no like them something there. What kind of style that?
Your daughter has sense. Your daughter little sis.
What you mean?
When 95 go. When 95 ago.
So Charmaine, you for all these years and you get your child. Cause me first get my picnic and come off of the bridge and left you. Then you go breed 1 year after. You're still a cell front?
So
I would have wonder why you really
no,
would have want your daughter to go there with any man, for anything. Just through the sake of
Not
money.
any and anything. That's what me a steer her away from.
Jesus
Me
Christ.
come off for them the things long time. You see after you leave, about a year after, so me catch my rich man too. And do the same thing.
So
you
all
start
your
a
rich man-
trend.
No. All you can get one rich man. And you have to line up your daughter to go do this and that. Your daughter should have alright and she shouldn't have to focus to go chat to man for money and then something.
See, that's
Where
where you
the
go
teacher-
wrong. That's where you go wrong, you know, Candy. You think, say, you can steer and twist and turn them your young people head.
Some of them will listen and not every young people is the same thing.
Me not see where your daughter
Every young
listen. Your
people is
daughter
not
come
the
in like
same.
mine.
You have young people who even sensible than some older people. I tell you. And
but we
use
not have them.
even smarter than some of we big people.
We not
Me
have
nah
them.
say, listen, don't
Make
get me wrong.
she use
Me
the
know say
talent
big
that
people
our
have-
Lord give her man.
Charmaine, you get it twisted. Big people have knowledge, also young people, but it's not everybody have knowledge. Some old nah no knowledge, some young nah no knowledge. But people that we can talk to, we can understand stuff and gain wisdom, knowledge and understanding. Where you teach your child. So when she no go breed and have one picnic, and that she go teach her the picnic just like where you teach her.
Every generation go better than the next.
This
So-
look like I said worse than the rest. Because I don't know where you are tell your child to do. And then they chat about me that and they do the right thing. She no fit there with no man where they do 9 to 5 because they don't have no money.
Them
And
broke
scammer
like
she
a
go there.
yours.
The blood of Jesus against scammer. Anybody got there with scammer, then life end up short. Or they meet in an accident. Or they house burn up. Where the backside
When
will
you
they
say
chat say?
blood of Jesus against that.
Against
And
what?
that you call down to
The
your
blood of
daughter.
Jesus is against evil, not good. So
Eh?
be careful of what you say and
No,
think first before you
sir.
talk.
She must go with a man who work 9 to 5 or a home and then drink when him lose him job.
Charmaine,
And
what
he
you
have
talking
no money
Me-
and beat her. Eh?
What-
At least now she independent.
Where-
She have
where
her
from, boy?
own money. Me come for check you and see how you be after this well, but boy.
Me good man, me good, alright.
Mhm.
You can go on now, you hear because me pot the pan fire, me kind of smelly rice, it a burn up, you waste me time.
But why
Later.
did they with that? You can't, have no food. You can't. Dinner soon ready, man. We can smell it. And remember how your food used to nice, you know. You can't give me a bowl.
You want some? The rice bun up. Me nah bother go inside. Me rake up
Scrape
yard.
off the bottom, man. You
Me
must
nah
know
bother
what
go
to
look
do.
for him, make it finish bun up. Me go rake up my yard. You can't go on now, you know. You can't go on now,
Lord,
man.
you still mean a rat.
You can't go on now, yeah.
Yeah. Me come check you on next
Yeah,
time.
yeah, Charmaine. Go on, go on. Blood of Jesus, where them crosses you come from? Me go look for my pot. Me go bun up.
Yeah, Yes, Miss James. I told you already, Miss James. You have to send your share of the part. Listen, I'm doing my part, you know. I'm doing my part. Listen, Miss James, you are making things hard on yourself. I tell you that we're going to come to your house with the balloon and the champagne. You don't need to go to the Western Union and tell them that you're sending money because you win money. Nobody's not going to believe you and they're going to rob you. Do not tell them that. Just go there, send the 10,000. Tell them it's emergency beneficial privacy. Just go there and tell them that. My word is my word, and I said you will get the delivery. The delivery truck is on the way, and if I don't have the receipt, they will turn back. Come on, Miss James. 10,000 US is chump change to you, Miss James. I know you have your 3-floor building, Miss James, and the pool in the backyard, Miss James. The 2-car, Miss James, you can sell one of that because you're getting 2 more cars. Yes, Miss James, we know a lot. Remember, we are the companies that know all of our clients. Miss James, can I put you on a hold, ma'am? I have to speak to the manager about somebody's second place price. Please, Miss James, think about it, because when I come back on the phone, I'm going to give you the 2 options. One, you can cancel and I pass it on to the second place, and who is third get yeah. You're going to do it. All right, I'm putting it on hold. Okay, no problem. Just a few.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, sir.
You know, see me, I stop all along in the phone to talk to Miss James.
You see me at work.
You know, say good body me, I talk to you.
Oh, that's you mean?
So I'm going, alright.
Yeah, man.
So you're a chopper.
Big chopper.
So your foot no hang out, your slipper.
No.
Your foot back no hang out.
Oh, I still like them and them pants under them body, yeah. Yeah, that big chopper.
So
Big
you're a chopper?
Yeah.
Jeez.
But me not wear them something so.
Oh,
Cause you
so
see in a GSL, the man them, when they call for nature, then drop them pants and then bam bam over foreign. Me don't know about out here, but over foreign do it.
But okay, I'm not talking about that.
Yeah.
So, you don't feel like you want me?
What do you mean by I want you? Oh, you mean?
As in for me and you there, you not hear me? I say,
Oh, yeah, man, single.
so you don't want me?
Yes.
Say a woman?
No! Woman like you, and you're tall the right way, you know, sexy. Shake your bum bum. Shake your bum bum, yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah, me like that girl. Me like that. It's sexy.
Do you have money?
No!
Full of money?
No!
Okay.
Yes!
Like that me like the chopper them.
Yeah,
a
man.
bang the line.
Woman.
A man like you, me dey tell my mother about it, and my mother bash on you know.
Your mother idiot.
Me know a long time.
Chopper, better than 9 to 5.
Right.
A chopper don't work.
Right.
A chopper only turn up and say, hello. You see how many
Hello.
them? 10,000 US
How
my
much
client
you
are
get
sending.
tonight?
Huh?
5.
5,000
Yeah.
US?
Yeah.
If you know like how me just know you, me have to inner your body like morning, noon and night. Hello. Morning, noon and night for 1 month. And me don't know her.
And who that is?
I don't know her. So now
She has
I
to eye to you. Next time you're on the road, don't even say back eye.
But you me have to know.
And me and you are
You have to
fornicating.
inner your body morning, noon and night.
And you have to spend the money morning, noon and night.
Me not have a problem with
Me
that.
not have a problem neither.
But yeah,
So
no.
put in my number in your big phone. Ba? How can I phone this here?
iPhone 16.
Eh?
Yeah. The
You don't-
latest. The latest. iPhone 16. Look on that.
iPhone 16.
Like 17 I get next year, baby.
Me think say 16 they have 2 eye. Oh God, and you put
No,
in my number.
16 Pro Max, sorry.
Oh!
Yeah.
Me think I did want 13 Pro Max.
No, me not deal with them something. Then something
Alright.
like common ass.
Alright, so me know what you see sexy Kayla.
Backside. Sexy
So,
Kayla.
ring my phone so you can come lift my phone
You
in
have
the
a
yard.
problem, though.
What problem?
Why you say we are sexy Kayla? And you know, sexy, the full enough. You have body, but you don't sexy.
Look for me figure, what you talk about?
No, me I try to...
Big body,
No,
small
no.
waist. What you
When
talk
you're
about?
talking about big bumper, you have to lift that for the sexy girl who have the bumper. When the bumper then jump over, so... Yeah, when they cock up...
So what's
you
a
have
bumper you do? This a bumper you can't go in car.
No, you
And hang out pan the like you know when you in care like you do something pan the window shake
If
your bumper.
it's the band in the old days, but I tell you if you look back on the old time lampshade them. Not the new type, the old type lampshade.
How the old type lampshade look?
See how your bumper look? Just go Google it.
Let me tell you this. Me and you they go talking or start one relationship. I mean if you the parent that disrespect me.
I'm not
Come me with
disrespect
disrespect you. Cause you yourself the tree look good. Oh!
As a chopper?
As a chopper you don't look good.
And
You
then,
don't even bleach out good. You should bleach out and put
No,
on decent
no, me
clothes.
teach you
Look up your dirty crocs. What's wrong with you?
as some you have to dress, cause you see them police here, you see once you dress good and you bleach out and your foot cock off halfway, then heart down pan you.
You don't come hard down palm with your damn ugly face.
And when you're no Chris, and when you're no chopper, then still heart down pan you. So you have to dress so, like a
Okay.
normal somebody chop yard.
Okay, me I can go home now.
Cause if they even hear me and say me a top chopper, if they come and say, oh, so you want to scam them, say, officer, when me say chopper, you know, mash it what me a talk, you know. So you have to use that
Hold
as an
on there.
undercover.
I'm actually okay doing that real life and tell me
No!
Oh.
Me would have really tell her that if me I do chopping, mash it. No.
But anyway, we start off about we'll start back over.
Let me show you something before you left. So you can check me later in the night here. Alright, so. Show you something. See that?
Good morning. Let me
Yeah.
take one out.
No, you're not too greedy. When you just know a man, you're not beg.
What, so you just know me and you beg me front?
Did I?
Yes, you just say every night and every day you want in on me.
So me say, but me never beg it. I never
Oh,
give
me
me.
want in the bag.
Alright, yeah. Come over this, I could give a quick piece and give one 200 US. Come on.
Alright. Mommy, me find it.
Find what? You find a job? 9 to
No,
5?
this scammer man.
What you?
My nice, tall, and sugar plum. I find my man. And a bad man too.
Where you frighten me for? Hospital you want to send me and send up me pressure go higher than weight there already.
Me why you galanzo?
Me think say something important you come and tell me say you find a job or you find a man with a decent job.
Me find a man. But me not see me no care. Me see
You
my
find a man, what kind of man?
scammer.
And at them the man they you
Yes,
you make
I'm
up your-
saying toss and I look up in her face and my
okay,
man.
make up your mind say okay.
Awa,
Know yourself.
you not happy with it?
No.
You get cookie for them to cook?
No. You're 19. You reach the age of 19. Me can cook for you, of course, no problem. But me not supposed to take it up as a responsibility. Like it's a job and I'm getting paid for it to cook for a 19-year-old girl where I look a scammer man. You're not supposed to want nothing from me if you eat again. You have a scammer and he might chop on the line and off of the line and under the line. That means you can go a
Your
5-star
son
hotel go near
bad
lobster.
mind.
Go and go make your scammer man buy your lobster.
No, you say me still get lobster
And
and there's
shrimp
something there.
or seafood.
Tomorrow
whatever you
me
want.
go link him. Me get lobster. Me don't even want any food in your house.
Me know.
Me don't need food in your
At
house.
that, this more taste.
He buy me food. So me go bed and call him and make him buy me a 10 turkey. And like you have to eat mackerel and rice all of your life.
Him go buy you one 10 turkey.
10 turkey.
You're right, boss it. Because you will never get a Kentucky. It's 10 you go get. And I hope when you get the 10 turkey and not the Kentucky.
Mommy, why you say
You-
so? Why you can't be
You
for me?
understand and know somebody that warn you.
Yeah, me
say
go
never
back.
did that warn
You see, I say me can't take it now. Me thinking I get up. I say yes, me daughter.
You think
get
get
mad.
up and said, yes, my daughter, you get a what kind of man? Move friend in front of me.
I show you can't get the money now.
Me no want them the kind
You
of
all
man there.
steals.
Make me stay there.
So you not have my type of shape.
Look for
You
me
see this
shirt.
a body shape, yeah?
And me and they call all.
This a body
Come
shape
on,
here,
man,
we should
listen
have
to
this.
me age. Look for me
But you
shirt.
not have this
No,
a
look what
sexy body, yeah?
Me know. Amen.
You not sexy like this and pretty like this and hot like this.
How again? You don't preach?
Because you don't have a man, you grudge me. I'm scared. Listen, I can't scab a man over here. You better have manners.
Awo.
Yeah.
To rotted, of course. Why not? Me fi have manners to him, of course. I think come me dash piss in his face. It be am bright. Shit now one bucket and duck him with it. Can't not scam a man in my yard.
I wonder where shit they know. Oh. What?
Get a coffee fan.
Hey,
I want to tell you.
What?
Today I'm go up on the road. I'm going to look for the man. And come on, I get a long neck, big eye girl. I chat to the man too.
Your man?
It look like I did fear, man.
So what you do?
I really do not want to say hello. And then go like your name and answer me. So me walk off.
You idiot. You lose your place.
Mommy, it look like saying he having woman.
Let me tell you something here and now. If you try and try and try and don't succeed, what you do? You know, try and try and try again.
Nah, suck no seed.
If I that you have to do, that you have to do.
Nah, suck no seed.
Let me tell you.
If you go suck the seed, don't tell me.
Let me tell you something. No go on like say you heighty tighty.
Me but it like say many girl there before me.
So where you gonna give up?
Yeah.
You idiot. Which man you gonna meet? Remember I say a 3 bucket at KFC that man bringing in here, you know?
You know, so sometimes I feel like you're just business boy your belly. Like you love sweet. Me had explain to you say man of woman.
So?
She a kick me foot.
You not kick her back. Hey, me girl, you fi take last lick.
She too tall.
So, the bigger they are, the harder they damn well fall. You not kick her in her shin. You kick her in her shin. You kick her here so. And broke up her foot them. As some me used to deal with women who come give me competition on the bridge, you know.
You used to work at bridge?
Never tell you.
No.
Hey, my girl. Me have
Think
history before you born.
Man used to work at bridge. Me no say you're bridge too.
Me have history before you born.
Me no know what me I go do.
Let me tell you what to do.
Me I call him but he not answer.
Hey, tell me something. Mother and daughter talk. You game yet? Kaka fart, where you wait pan? Where you wait pan? I saw make him a chat to next girl. Let me tell you something about man.
But
Yeah,
then
I
again, have to wait 1 year.
Which year? Hi, my girl. Let me tell you something about your good man. A good man that.
Oh, a good man, mommy. Because him buy chicken.
Him buy chicken. Him buy fridge.
The fridge there. The fridge come.
The fridge come this morning special deliver me there.
In deliver it or in pay people?
No, van come. Van come and deliver.
Well, me I go call him now and tell him thanks.
And me phone him too. And tell him, say, me glad for the fridge and everything. But remember, sir, I plenty chicken you buy. So me need to heat it up. I mean, I no gas. Kaka, driver go back and come back with microwave oven.
Popcorn now?
Yes. So, girl, are you not get nothing yet?
Me not ready.
Let me tell you something. You see, man, easy. You see when you get them, and you're in a position, and you clamp it so, and you hold him down. Lord God, when him go, hoo, 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 you know, say you have him.
So me can ask you something? A clamp, so make me come here.
No better talk about
Me no want no pitney yet. So me will do my clamping when me see them on Google. Your clamping too. Clamping.
My clamping get me house and ting. And money send you go to school and everything. My clamping provide.
You should have clamp all if you look more black.
Oh,
Cause board stop weird.
true me
You know, say
stop.
Melissa come and blow your friend house. Melissa come, you know, and blow your friend house. I'm surprised they still standing.
No, because me build my house pan a rock. She build her house pan sand. The wise woman build their house upon the rock.
Mommy, I'm going to text the man and tell him thanks for the appliance.
Yes, and tell him say you want come check him too. You have to take back first place.
No, I'm not ready.
You have to take back first place. You can't make that little dirty chiggerfoot girl take what you forget.
No, you know, we can check him.
Oh.
Tell him, say, when they put me period.
Girl, you not gonna get nothing. That's why I talk to next girl. I try him, I give and him not get. In this life, you can't
So wait
take, you know, you have to
When
give
you
to get.
3 boxes of chicken,
Mm-hmm.
1 little fridge,
Mm-hmm.
1 microwave. How big the microwave they will come here? Come in
It's
again,
microwave oven.
Oh,
Oh.
it deserves something. Me need land first. Cause me no want when me clamp him, the baby come.
Yeah, idiot, use protection.
Oh, something name so.
Lord God, you didn't learn it at school, girl.
No, me
Use
kinda
a
not
condom. Alright. Me must
Mommy,
have one
here.
in my bag.
Here, I gotta text him.
Mm-hmm.
While me a beard, me text him and send him 2 pictures.
How you know, sir?
Yeah, man.
How you know, sir?
Nigga,
And kin out and you send him the picture, you know. Not just send him picture of that.
That picture them here, send, but
No, man, you have to tease him up. You have to tease him up and stir it up.
Them.
Aye.
Me no need for
Let
you
me
send pictures so.
No, man, you just give it to them gently and give them everything in a one.
No, me
So
send it so.
send him 1 titty at a time. One titty. And then when him love that one, you send him the
another
2
one.
titty them so.
2 of them so.
Aye.
And then what?
Then but
Send
you
me
see,
back them?
me
and
teach you
then what?
right. By then you have to beat you out to your hand. Me teach you the next
If
step.
you know that Anna.
All if you that if I do that. No say you have it.
Never
Any
try.
man who yam you know say you have them. Mm-hmm.
Food forever.
Ah, take back your first place, girl. Oh.
Me buy 100,000 black when the scammer give me my first money.
100,000 black. I want
Yeah.
mansion you a bill.
No, me I build one little 2 room.
Hello.
Hello.
Kayla, morning. I night shift me there, come on for what? Me alright. Hello, miss. Good
Morning.
See the little broke pocket boy me tell you about a little 9 to 5 boy. See my mom and me I tell you about.
You tell your mother about me?
Yes, I don't want you.
Oh, I work, me I come off, man.
Oh, you know business about that. Come on, mommy.
Come on, way. You have sense?
What do I?
First of all, you tell me say you buy 100,000 black to build one room. Like it's a mansion you build. Look here, it's like when I was up, I don't want to hear no foolishness from you. You hear me I tell you? Because you're not even saying me go get little black to build one room and then piece neat. 100,000 black to build one, you know no sense.
And kitchen.
Next thing, you know no sense for you know. This a young man here. You dey tell me about when you work at hotel and they do 9 to 5 and you don't want him to read that scammer.
Right. I'm not
Yeah.
going to find my scammer.
You like when they chop the line. Figure you the freeness.
Right.
You is an idiot.
I'm an idiot with.
Young man,
Yeah.
you is a good man. I hope God bless you. You is a hard working man. From me see that you know.
Yeah.
And a good thing you do. You better you work at hotel 9 to 5. All when 9 to 5 can pay your life bills them. You better you do 9 to 5 because of your honest money you get.
That's true, man.
Yes.
I'm so
But
I
this-
look a promotion to you know.
Eh?
So we can look a supervisor.
That's
man.
nice.
Me not trading you know for it. I'm so alright, man. Me not have it fully you know, but me know say me I gonna have it. Cause boss say me one of the best work I company ever see. I guess they take my whole heap. So me so alright fully, man. Believe me.
That is very good and you're very ambitious. So you see when you hear all then kind of girl you like, I don't know, I'm one of that but me have to tell you the truth, you know. But me have talk about she personally and who want to follow she. You see them type of pitney here, we grow up and feel say yeah, me know everything. They don't know nothing.
So what type of picnic maybe?
Idiot pitney.
So you really call me
Yes,
idiot,
because if
Me
you
like
meet
a
one man
idiot.
who do 9 to 5 and you go style him and say, you don't want that, you want chopper.
Alright.
Eh? And
Alright, mommy.
you're not
You
even
talk
sure about the chopper.
roadside. Me tell you me get the chopper and the chopper have money. You talk about road, you call me idiot.
Yes,
Me you call me idiot.
because he's a fool.
Oh, me is a fool.
Yes, because why you don't want one working class man, you
Okay.
want chopper.
Okay.
Figure your money where they
Okay.
not even work for.
Alright, mommy. We're up on roadside. People are walk past.
Eh.
You call me idiot and fool.
Yes, so what?
Okay. Okay. So when you down work palm bridge, me da call you idiot, me da call you fool when you work palm bridge.
Listen, whether you call me idiot or fool, when they on the bridge, you never know about that. Because I was on the bridge selling front before I met your father.
Okay.
And me come off of the bridge and a circumstances when met me the panny. And me come off of it.
Yes.
And me I live a better life now.
Where?
You know, say me a Christian.
Every day get the man talk about Christian and me not see it.
Don't worry yourself. That a for me and God business. You need to try to change your life like how me I try to change for me. You see one good man out the road. We would have really take you up and make you become a woman. You want chopper.
Chopper,
Yeah.
but chop the line and give me car. Him nah have no case say walk him, what come do with him when they walk on film 2 foot them.
I soon buy one car when you get your promotion.
No worry yourself. God will help you to get everything where you want because you work your honest bread. Do
Where?
not follow this girl.
Them
And
God
my
help
dad-
you, and him God help you, the little board broke down us.
Oi. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth before me back
me a
you.
night, you know, me
Me
a
don't
road.
care. Listen to me. You see when you go talk to me and you go discriminate God, be careful of what you say to me. Mind what they say out of your dirty tongue. You hear when you come on to God, be careful of what they say. Because if you blaspheme and cross his catch you, no come round me. Because I don't want nothing bounce off of your bounce for me. And
Me
me tell
not
you
come
to
around when
say.
me get my schema man and me have money. When you
Okay.
start spending money for me not come around you.
You know say you me pitney but you crosses. Me not tell you like you
me
real
a
crosses. Because you
Ayawa.
no mean yourself no good. You
Me look at the man
is
you
not
want
an
me there with
ambitious person.
too. Look at the man you want me there with too.
What do him?
Look at him.
How what happened
He
to
not
him?
have no money, no man for him want say money. He not no give me $100 right now. Now $100 you not have.
No, me not give you. Cause you try style me. Me not
What's
give.
your style? Anybody can't style you. You broke like a nothing. Right, the chop man me want with car or drive up and down.
I say you stay.
Yes, me go there with him now walk me and walk foot. Walk foot with who?
Boy, you walk
Which poverty boy?
Boy, you walk
This
foot
scammer
now.
man where they talk about and where they hype up yourself and they show off about. Him have a car?
Yes, he's going to buy a car.
He's going to but he not have it yet.
Every scammer have a car.
Yeah.
My one have a car. In
Jesus
terms of their
Christ.
garage.
Every scammer have a car.
Yes.
Where you get them the story from?
Out of my book.
I miss your daughter. Me not think your daughter sensible. You
You
know
no
see.
sensible neither.
you know
Yes,
see-
it's nice, clean body me on top of chat to
From
me.
disrespect the young man like
But
that. You're
if-
very
if-
out of
And you
order.
stop a talk to me, no?
But if you people ain't tell life, you living no lie. Them tell her to say you have
No,
a
no man
car.
can't tell me no lie. Me not so stupid.
You ever see
Before
car?
you take up for yourself, go look at job you dey chat about you want man where they chop pan line.
Mommy, you take up yourself and you go look at job. You're just still in a little board broke down house.
So, at least me live somewhere. You have
Me
a
get a
problem with
chopper
that?
right now.
And at the
A
same
black
little
man
board
to me.
house where they discriminate, in there there.
My son come out of there.
That how when?
Eh? When me chop up, hey, you say me link up. Who they are? Today I even make you my chopper, go make you meet my chopper. Me go show
Go
you.
see all the chopper where they chat to.
Nice, clean,
Go
tall,
see
brown
all
man.
the chopper where they talk
We're
about too.
nice, cool here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm about?
You
Miss,
know no ambition, you know.
miss, you know, say me have to go and make some
Your
breakfast.
life no
though.
value, no. Huh?
I have to go and make some breakfast. Cause I work there beat me out.
Alright.
How your name?
My name Candy.
Thank you for your words of encouragement, Miss Candy.
Yes.
Kayla, we see you
Don't
here.
say that later to me. Don't call to me, broke pocket boy. Don't call to me. When you see me, shut your eye. What you do?
No follow me here.
Alright.
God will bless you if you get a nice woman.
Broke pocket self.
God I go bless you if you get
Call
a
me
nice,
ma.
decent woman. Look here, little
What's one
girl.
piece of bang I have?
You see you? You is
Rough
a
life.
disgrace to my family.
With what?
You're disgusting. You're rude. You don't have no respect.
Discussing with what, mommy?
You're disrespectful for you. The nice little young man wearing a good job. You don't disrespect him like that. Like I say, why am I doing nothing?
I don't know on that.
I know kind of, I
9
know
to
good.
5 can't mind me. Me too sexy for that. Me too
Me
nice
understand say 9 to 5
Look at me
cannot
body.
mind you.
95
But-
can't manage your body, yeah.
But you better do
Look
9 to
on
5.
this. 95 can't manage this a sexy body, yeah.
Watcha.
Me don't want no 95 man. My man him have to rich and have money. Me don't want no broke pocket man. No come here so. Love now wear again. Money I do things.
So you want a rich man? What you have to bring to the table? You rich?
Me have me clean body to bring to the table and under your so.
Underway. Wait. Come here. Come here. You know stay. Sitting around where I set your face like you're a ball fan, you don't get it yet. You don't get it slap yet, you know. What your problem?
Problem, mommy.
What is your problem? You is 19-year-old and look what the devil tell you to do. Till you go and call foolishness for God name. Girl, you know say you are crosses. You are crosses.
Oh, yeah, say.
No rain could me
Oh,
from
yeah,
the back
that
of your
bridge,
face.
mommy.
That are them long time before you born. You how much you know? 19, and that was before you're 19. You see me still a do them something there? So to become
You
you,
probably a sneak out
So-
at night time.
you know say I rank with me and they disrespect me. Eh?
Yeah, disrespect me on the road and people are see.
So Kayla, to me and wash your clothes still and a cook gear. At the age of 19, you feel say if you disrespect me because you feel say me and your friend. Or the chopper them when you talk to out the road. You feel say me and them I see them. You feel say me and them I see him?
Yeah, my chopper can't be the same.
Oh, you full of chat so? Oh, you full of chat so? Kayla, oh, you full of chat so? You bed from morning? Eh? Look at you, me no want shame and little nasty wretch in front of me. Oh, you rank a piss, cause you pissy bed last night. And me no care what the mattress yet now. You know what me no care what the mattress yet? Eh? Through the time look cloudy.
Mommy.
The time look cloudy and no sun no come out.
So, mommy.
I saw the sun come out, I saw it go in.
So, mommy.
Oh, a big old 19-year-old girl like you know. So me, shut up when me they talk. For me bust your ass. You out of that. No mommy me. No mommy me.
You really put up me that come over to see me.
I'm me a rank with? Eh? I'm me a rank with? I laugh in stock you want to take me for?
Let me drop in the edge.
So where you just say?
Alright, me sorry.
Where you just say? Me look like a somebody where piss bed. I rank yourself with me.
Look at somebody piss bed.
Smell how you rank. From morning you no be.
Nice.
All your friend clothes them in the rear they chat about scapper. Scapper.
Oh! I'll bring me up on the road.
I know scammer
You
them
know
and
say me nah
scapper
no
them.
friend.
Oh, top says scammer, says scapper. Because
scammer.
we
No
scammer.
money.
I scapper them.
Okay, alright, mom, I'm sorry. Sorry for
Where you go here? Sorry for which embarrass me, you come rank with me. Watch out. Love you long time. Let me go. Let me go. Love wish you.
Come we take a walk, man.
No, take no walk. Listen to me. Right now you make me clothes rank up and you need to go over go bathe and stop walking face with people on the road.
Me come walk, go show you what they say.
Me no want hear nothing from you.
Mommy,
Galang.
focus on mommy.
Me no bother go up
Yes,
this.
sir. Look at someone. So I need the bamboo tree there. And that's how me meet my scammer.
Yeah.
In the bang line did the mommy.
So me if you follow you go they go bang line.
No, you did no.
Go on to your scamper.
I know what again to mommy. Oh, what that's some me I'm go give him peace.
Where?
Over there, over that boardhouse there. Right over here, some mommy. Give him peace at the coochie.
Say no ambition though.
No.
In a real life me always tell you say no ambition, but say you really no ambition for you. Kayla, you really make one dirty foot man where I call scamber.
You said you meet him too.
You see him there? Jesus Christ. Something wrong with you? You want prayer? Over there so you really go?
Mommy, over there me go.
So I saw you're front of? Them maca and hands and cockroach and all kind of sitting in them the bush and sitting.
No, man.
Cause you no go in the house, in the bush. You is a nasty workless good for nothing rich. Go on, you say when they go, so is alright, me I go now. Which part? For what?
Go back in your yard, you're all man.
Go on to your scamber. Go on. Go on this part they go workless. If you know me know, you go sleep with your scamber with a chop pan line without clothespin and not come back at me yard, you little dirty rich. Workless girl. Man. All my clothes are drop off for family. I can't bother. I get Marga from Melissa come in Mark. What happened?
What happened? Yeah, man. They are look and live and wait for you.
Aye. From Melissa come, me get Marga.
You still have shape though.
So what going? Oh yeah, there so I do right now. Me stress out and me get ignorant on the road like while with the 1K like she, you know.
What do you? What happened?
You know, so Kayla show me the guy where she say I work at hotel I do 95 and they chat about see boy when me tell her say I do 9 to 5 and me no want them a kind of money and start disgrace the man on the road like she knows something about the man.
She have ambition.
What you mean?
Go on.
And she start trace off the man. Young, nice man, you know. Look respectable and ambitious. Say I work at hotel and sitting, getting gratuity and him, you know, him getting nice copy and him saving money. And so Kayla disgrace the man.
But can you not hear what you just say?
What?
Little pay. Where your daughter wants with little pay?
The little pay
Little
where I
pay
get,
man no good.
I work in work feet. The little pay where I get, he work in honest, red fur, in sweat feet, and him a get it. And God a bless him with it. What kind of chopping thing Kayla depend?
Me not see it wrong.
I'm about in scamber. Scamber money one time. One if I see
So she get one. She get the one now.
I don't know. I don't know about her.
Nothing wrong. A job same way.
What job?
You know, since I work, a phone credit them have to use, you know. And hot sun, more time them have to sit out, you know. I make them call cold to them throat all dry. I work that day. Hey, you go and like say something wrong.
Jesus Christ. Shannon, when me and you used to sell front Pandy Bridge back in the days.
The good days.
Sometimes it did good and sometimes it did bad. I don't know, all the days them never good. I don't know good days.
And all the days
because
bad.
I do it because of circumstances. Me used to do it, because our years now we stop. But when me I say, be did I do it because of circumstances. Me don't know what make you did I do it. You understand? Me never want to do it, but me force and do it.
One man can't satisfy me. Put my phone away. One man can't satisfy me.
One man can't
No,
satisfy
sir,
you.
me do it for circumstances and hey, enjoyment.
Oh.
And when them stop, me know so me can just dash them away. I mean, have to worry about heart and phone and black man and horse and cow fat.
Anyway, when we did it on the bridge, back in the days, you see how the girl them used to come there and get more side man them, so they get more money. Sometimes they not even do nothing with the man them.
All
But
tricksy
then
one
they smart. Eh?
All tricksy she.
You remember her? Okay, but she's smart, even though she did have some bad ways. Anyway, me used to talk to you as a friend and as a co-worker, first time co-worker. And you never used to listen to me. Charmian, you want to tell me, say, all them time there, where you used to do all of them something they feel $1,000, $500, $200, you still have the intention, no. They do them something the same way. So you tell me, say, my daughter can go there with scamber. Or no one call them, I don't know.
Hold on, there's no pleasing some people, you know. Yes, you used to be a stush hoe. But
I know Stush a lie. I don't know Stush, you don't have nothing to do with Stush, but sometimes you have to pick, choose and refuse. Even though
money
you
and
end
money.
up do some stuff in your life where you don't want to do. But at least, you know, you get big now, we grown, we are adult. What we do? My child can do the same thing when me when they do.
You're lucky.
I do want to know
She
same
not
thing, because this
skin
is
out
different.
for money like
As
you and me.
Kiamba she a go to, and me when they do that. I know nothing nice that, I know something like it proud, you know, as something proud me if you talk about or whatever. But yes, I was doing it, so me not hide it from her. Me tell her, you know, so she can see a difference in a fair future, think different, be ambitious, and be a better person.
She ambitious.
Yeah, I understand you.
You don't
I wanna
understand.
go take up-
And you do the same thing.
And just show me out the road, or which part in a bush, up the road. Me just a pine stub but I know this one. She dey out the road. And me and her dey talk. And she, with her enough self, bright and presumptuous too, you know.
Like her mother.
Mommy, over this so, me go give him. The first time when me meet this Scamber, over this so me give him. Same time when me meet him, me give him it right over this. So talk the truth.
So she hold that the one then.
Yeah.
She
that's
clamp
right.
him good.
Yeah.
Your daughter smarter than you, man. Your daughter
Fi
smarter
just
than
meet
you.
man and go do a with them. And in a bush where hands and rat and cockroach and mosquito.
That called seal the deal. Man
backside.
nowadays no one buy pussy in a bag, you don't know that by now. Like how she sealed the deal, she no say she had the main one. When him a get the money and the thousands and the tens of thousands and the hundreds of thousands, you should have glad man.
Charmian, you know say you know sense to come like my daughter. Because she go come tell me now say she want 100,000 black. Fi build one room. Eh?
So she want
Like
big
a one
room.
mansion he want and they say you don't know nothing about build house. She don't know nothing
She
at all
not
about
build the house.
Why where she
She
build
go
so much
hire
black to
people
build
for
one room?
She go hire people for build the house.
I be a foolishness she a chat. Pure foolishness. Nothing where she say no
So tell
make
me
sense.
something. A girl, you know want your daughter grow. You want her to stay in the Pampas forever. She growing and she have little ambition. I mean like how she have ambition, she better than my daughter. Eh?
Yeah. Where they say Charmian?
She want good things in her life. What is wrong with that?
That the way
reason-
they that the way they shall look for get good things.
What away the potter called the
Go there
people
with
black.
this scammer
Eh?
and go see.
Hold on, you who used to sell front, high price, low price, whatever. You used to sell front.
I mean, you
eh?
can't tell me that
I
she
never
needs to know
find
we
nothing
know.
wrong.
That was then. This is now. I
Yes.
am not doing that anymore.
No,
and
but
when
your
you have to
daughter
talk
find
about
a
me
man-
used to whatever think about yourself.
Your daughter find a man who will go work hard for her. She sealed
sure
the
about
deal.
that? Which scammer you know say work hard?
Where? A hard work, them chat till them mouth all dry.
Jesus Christ. Charmian, why you
Just
know,
like
this scammer where my daughter say, why you know Jesus Christ. Charmian, this scammer where my daughter say she a got there with you. And you know say I go give her this and give her that. Why you not go there with her? Go there with this scammer, not her, there with him.
Me quite comfortable in the life me living.
You see, as a mother,
me want in this your
let me tell
life,
you
me
something.
just
As a
do
mother,
so and do so and me get it.
what?
So me
What you
not
say? What you say?
complain.
What you say? Do it again. Me
Hear
not see.
me,
Me never
man.
see. You do so, hour.
Me just open up and me get anything me want, and when me ready and me done with them, me just close up again and lock shop. Me good. Me no want me anything me want me get.
You see why your baby father have to run you left you? That's why he could manage you. And your dirty attitudes, them when you have your dirty ways and your dirty lifestyle, and it run with the man.
After you done kill yours.
Which kill yours?
Lord, man.
He not dead. He is alive. That's the way your mind I tell you. A lie I tell. A lie you tell you. Afraid about him you afraid about him we gone with foreign. Stay there, you alright.
Fret, the only one I fret are you.
Me
You
not
know,
afraid
sister,
about
me
nothing more than
comfortable and me
want
good
my
and me
daughter to come out to
alright.
something good in life. She's 19 and she needs to hold up her head and be an ambitious person. Here where you are chat say, be a foolish, you know.
Hold on.
You know what I mean?
Me miss it because me not
Where you come about?
me not come for this because the old you used to be fun. You used to be fun and have a laugh and like how me see you again and find you
Me
again.
I try to change my life. You want me to go back in a dirty lifestyle. Go on in your yard.
Dirty
no, Charmaine.
lifestyle and you used to
Go
do
on,
it
go
too.
on in your
Calling
yard.
Keko
Yeah,
Black
go
my
on.
girl. You
Go
forget
on.
who you are.
You never come
Remember
on
who
me yard
you
yet
are.
with
You
one good
forget who you
conversation.
be.
You never come on me yard with nothing constructive yet. Pure foolishness. You know you're not fire. Backside wall.
Hey, I'm glad me see you. You alright? Top. I'm glad me see you. Oh God. Tell me something. I have a question. Which girl you say I take away your scammer man from you? Describe her.
Me did have one picture no.
You take picture of her?
Yeah, but me not really know if that show good cause when me did the far panel me top. Yeah. You have to zoom in.
Hold on. Me look good.
You know her?
You know, so me know this girl?
You know her from no mommy.
Yes. I'm my best friend daughter. But just I come from her yard, you know?
You have best friend? So
When
you get that best friend from?
When me used to work in my old days. In
Overbridge?
the good old days.
Overbridge.
In the good old days. when
So
I
wait
used to work.
there. Fear mother work a bridge too. Says that you are the mother send her to take with my man. Well, I'm telling you this, mommy. You see, if you not go over her yard, over your best friend when me never know about yard, go warn her, if you tell her that if you love me man alone, you go feel the pressure. You know, eat KFC 3 years or 10 years, you go without KFC. So,
Let me rewind. Hold on, stick a pin. Let me rewind and come back again and remind you, sir, is your mother you're talking to.
yes, but your friend,
Lower the tone,
daughter.
lower the tone and address me as your mother, not your dog. And go
Mother,
again.
you need to get up, go and tell your best friend to tell her daughter to leave my man alone, else you're going to feel the pressure because we're not going to have nothing for him. Go on. Come, can't believe,
is not
say,
this?
you know the little girl. You want to see
You
girl?
sure me?
And everything we tell you yesterday, you know. See girl, him but he never move.
Oh God. So you know walk past and shake your ears on
No, I didn't feel a way. So I just walk past with my head wide, my head eye up. Me just walk past and hold up my head. But me I tell you, see if you don't go and warn her, you go feel the pressure. I can't believe say you know the girl.
Me gotta talk to her mother. Cause certain things not run right and me I hear her mother talk certain things. She forget who she is. So me gotta talk to her for true.
Go on and come.
Me want more
Right now,
than
me want
KFC.
some Popeyes.
You worry about Popeyes. Me want put some veranda and a new room on the place.
You want
and then
too
your
much.
man I go do it. So me soon come.
Cause you are gonna lie down with him.
Yes, you there. Although me come already, I come back this time, I come back mad though.
I was somebody dead for you?
Dead for me with nobody not dead for me. But somebody got dead soon if something not change.
What are you talking about?
Me beg you talk to your picnic. Your picnic come and I want to take my daughter, man. And it can't go so. So may I beg you, talk to your picnic. Talk to her and warn her off of my son-in-law. Okay, nah go so. Me come round and how me mad. Me a slip and drop. Come my shoes and me have to change my clothes. Me come talk to you as an adult.
You don't talk?
Mm.
You sure say you don't talk? Charmaine, you see when you approach me yard and you come to me, address me better than that. You understand me?
Me mad now, me mad, me
Address
mad,
me
me
better
mad.
than that.
And you not always address me
A long time
nice.
we know we one another. And me no know how you going to make children come betwixt we. If your daughter and my daughter, they with the same man, how it affect me and you? What is your problem?
It affect me. Eh? Because now your daughter
So
and you are going to get all the fridge and the KFC and the bucket and thing that my daughter and me forget. So keep it, me I beg you. Keep your daughter away from my daughter, man. It not go so.
Charmaine, put on close on the argument them where you talk. Nothing now benefit me what my daughter get from no man out the road. Can you see the scammer them? Me no in it. Me no want no scammer money. All them do is go up online and chop off all of the clothespin them off of the line where they no work for. Charmaine, you can take where you do not work for, not me, don't mix me. Don't
so
put
when
me in a blender.
KFC and chicken and burger and thing come in, you're not gonna hear me. If
No.
your daughter bring that to you and him bite, you're not gonna.
No.
Stop tell lie, man.
No, me not
Stop
tell
tell lie.
lie. Charmaine, you have worm. Me not have worm. Me no nyam, me no licky.
So
And
you
see
change
when
big
sweet
then.
money go out, I go run them belly.
make
And
you run it.
It's like everything your daughter carrying, you have in me. That's why you always have
Make
run
you
the
run,
belly.
make you run.
No wonder why
make
me
you run.
can't
You
have
know
no
why
tissue.
my backside, so make you run.
No wonder why me
Make you
can't
run.
don't see over
But
me yard in a
make
piece
your
of paper, you ever
daughter
the big tissue.
turn away from my son-in-law, cause it now go pretty. True, me and you have a friendship, but come warn you. Come in and warn do the little girl nothing.
Do which little girl something?
You'll find out which little girl.
All when time she not listen to me and they go chat to who she feel like I say she feel chat to. I will never make you do my daughter anything and get away with the Charmaine. Not because me and you come from far and we did friend and sell front Palm Bridge. That not say. That was then. This is now. Me not use back then and they affect my future. You crazy?
Go on like say.
All I wanna
You
come
go
use it
like
for me.
say.
They use me
You go like say me are the only nice citizen of the area, you know. Like say you never do it and you still a do it. Come
Me
in
not
and say
still a do
any
it.
man come to you and want your front. He must have money. He must have this and that. Eh? But me not say nothing through your hey.
Oh, God.
Me glad me see you. Keep away from my son-in-law.
What's son-in-law?
Keep away from my son-in-law. You take my daughter, man, and it now go so.
not take a
And
daughter,
so
man.
make me hey.
Me have my man.
Eh?
My
Your man
tall
is
man.
your
Like shoot and handsome tall man. Me don't know what you are talking about. Me not take a daughter, man. Who is the daughter?
My daughter is Chinese and don't take her man. Keep away from her man. As
Me not take your daughter, man. And underneath your daughter, the good mood to take it.
Oh, hey.
Don't those fly at gas.
You're looking in a mirror now. You're looking in a mirror. You only see reflection of yourself. And that is why me honor life and go be a man for your papa. You're too rank. Eh? Orphan girl. You're rank with me.
Are your friend this here?
Sticky Mercs.
Yes. Stick me, Rex, if you think you're
Stick him.
bad. Eh? If you think you're bad.
Stick him, Rex.
Orphan girl.
Cuss him. That me mean.
Oh, he's a serious life
Yes,
for me.
No, man, your mother know you. Your mother really know you.
Not now.
Your mother really know you for
dog.
Oh, at least you recognize when you get called. At least you recognize when you get called. You recognize. Hey girl, you don't know me who you know. You don't know me who. We are trying to pull off my panty. You're lesbian. You try to pull off my panty. We are do. Hey girl, it's true. Me know your mother. Me not deal with you, you know. Me take out my right shit and dip in your belly, you know,
Me
girl.
not take a daughter, man. Me not know you want.
Hey, little orphan girl. Hand away, find next man. Go find next man. Oh, no, let's see everything else.
not say nothing, you think you can come beat off my daughter, you know?
What you push her into me
Who
for?
push her in you? You see when me push her
Yes,
in you?
me see.
You're too lying.
Me
You
see.
push yourself
Me
for
see.
my daughter.
Which
You're too
part?
wicked.
Which
Just
part?
let me see you.
Oh,
When
God.
you come go up, God.
Oh, God.
Achoo.
Oh, God.
You when you bounce and step on her.
You take too much with you, man. You gone to your man.
Yeah.
You gone to your man.
Come out of me, yeah.
Man, away from my son-in-law. Can you
Ah,
not go so? Like an orphan girl.
Come out of me, yeah.
Orphan girl.
Go
Yeah.
on.
Me do it to him and me do it back to him.
Big up yourself. A liar tell the man gonna find.
Orphan
Go
girl.
on about your business. You bright and feisty boy, you come in my yard and come cuss my daughter. Choo she dead there with the same man with your daughter. Look on you, dirty Charmian. You beggy and licky now. You damn wanga got rich. Now come back in my yard. If you know me eat the little dirty woman, you
While
know.
ago.
And every minute she come in my yard. You see where you can't?
Oh! Me? Why got me here you tell Shami and say a lie?
I lie, say what?
Daddy gonna find you forget him dead. How did I find me at that boy? You want underneath the ground? Oh, I could never the one for the plane.
I told me no want to neighbor them know say him dead. Like real dead.
I want to feel dead.
Like real dead like with the eye shut and he now come back and don't tell them like already saying Ghana foreign. You have to chat too much.
You should have this the girl. You see the girl come now, yeah, push me on her
No,
phone.
that's more your boss up your girl face you know. You know
You can't find that big cow there.
but you know if your mother and a ramps and you're full of chat so you can boss girl ass. You
No, me full of chat, but me can't
Let me
find.
tell you something, me and her a friend. So me need want to look so bad, say me want to fight her. So me push her into him and you idiot. You don't know when me say skim Rex. You should have.
Me want if you say me a dog.
Then that me a call you because you go on like your dog and you go on like your hog, cow, puss, rat, cow, a donkey and all kind of thing about you there with scammer man.
And you scammer.
Scam, well me can't say scammer.
You know why she come over, mommy? You must glad that she come over here too. You know
Why?
why? If the man did want her daughter, you would come. If the man never is, if the man. So the man don't want her daughter, so she come over here. And me the man want my sexy clean body.
Yeah, me know.
My well nice big body, come body big. And this the man want. Feel that I feel about tough.
And how you did that show me the other day where you in the do again about twerk? Turn around let me see. Watch you and Kuya. And them they sitting there like though. And that's why you go on the road and look scammer man and they come go on like I see you more than everybody. So if you want to go there with people man and make them come on me yard if you come bust your ass. Me
You can
sorry
bust
for
my
you.
ass.
Me sorry for you.
That tough woman they want to about croco lizard. What about she and my reflection? She can't be reflection. She too
And
black.
that she did say?
Yeah, she's too black for me reflection.
I know that she should have say.
Me can't see myself in her.
I know that she should have
Oh,
say.
she should have said.
She should have said me can be a mother because me resemble and we look alike. Yes. Make it hot
Me
you.
tell me go on.
Go on in.
Yeah,
Go on
that's
in
stupid.
because from morning you know flush the toilet and me not have no water in your
So,
shit in
mommy,
there and left it.
so
You're
what you
too
think me have to
nasty.
do?
What? Left who? Me know say that you left me
clean
have
out
to
the
do.
place,
To
you're
clean
the
out
maid.
place. Yeah
Clean out
man.
the place.
Yeah man,
That's
me
your
a maid.
job.
Me a maid, don't worry yourself. You see when that
It's your
scam body,
job.
he catch you and give you where they look for you, we find out. Go along about your business.
But that's
You
your
work
God,
list like
no
a hour
water
before you go look
problem.
man. Where they work your contract boy, you know one man for 9 to 5. You want scammer man or scammer. Or we no one call it. Go on, go help him chop off a line and pan line and see all the police them what them go do. We do no backside. No big and work list and think like. For no go look work.
Oi. I'm tired, man.
So you come back here and the bottom mommy, I want to go on. Then beat her?
You don't hear me? You don't hear me ball out outside through the rain. Me coming down the step and take one piece of drop. I'll tear up my body hole of my trousers.
Oh my. So, me get back the man?
Me vex. Me go one hour. Right? And then want come like so they want beat me up and bad me up. I have to deal with them case.
Bleach up for why?
Come me go one hour and tell her daughter, our chiggerfoot daughter, to stay away from my son-in-law.
Oh, so my man now.
Must see your man.
Alright.
Happy your man.
I love that.
Alright, so you know what to do.
What you do?
You see, anyhow after all of that, I'll invite my friend and argue with my friend. And you not get that the man?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
a better man?
No other man them ya get.
Make sure you know.
Yeah.
Make sure. Because I want the veranda, I want the car, I want the this.
You want too much.
You already.
You want too much.
Well, if you don't aim for the moon, you're not going to land amongst the stars in this life. Me not aim low, me aim high.
Alright, mommy. Me done. Me got link him. I take a 5.
All right, make sure you strengthen yourself.
Yeah,
so
me
that
have a
you
link him.
and you hold him.
Yeah, and clamp him.
Clamp him down.
Yeah, me gonna take a 5.
All right, love you.
Love you.
Mommy, last night, I sleep and wake up in the middle of the night and I something wash on me and say, come back in my brain like it was clicking there.
What she say?
But you see, true, I feel like true you get all. You never really hear what she has to say, you never defend it.
Not true.
You never hear when Charmian say, she hope your daddy and kill him.
When she said that she did say?
Alright, guess what the woman say it. And so we do it two ways.
Me I get all fit you. Me never hear. That she say fit you?
Yes.
You sure?
She said she killed her father. That's what she said. So she said that, she said, I mean we do it two.
Hey, backside. No, let me tell you. You see true she make
So
nice.
why should I really want to do daddy that?
Let me tell you
Come
something.
on no.
Something I try remember. Something. Remember. Maybe I eat make she do it. Me no know why. Me mind just tell me say this. Remember say me and her, me tell her say me and her used to friend and all kind of something. You know back in the days we used to dip on the bridge yourself front and then something there. One night one man come there. That is not even one man, your father. No, when me say one man, you know what I mean, but your daddy.
Yes.
Even though him pass and gone. The man come there. When he come there, he go to she first. But me don't know if I smell her arm or her mouth or something, or maybe she never attractive to him or what. Me don't know, or maybe the money way she charge the man or whatever. Me didn't get close, but me never get so close. Me hear something about some 2,000 or whatever. Me don't know what them a discuss about. So, little bit after that, me see the man did the talk. So, me on go pass by and go so. As so me set me, you know. And cock up my body in the ear so. So me cock up my body. And I go so. Me not talk to nobody, you know, I just pass me a pass and go so. And for me jaw and my body cock up and then me start do so. Me bump and Joan, me see the man come over in front of me and hold me and they say, baby, you look nice, you know. And you want to see the man and wine, but and for me
I say that wine like a worm.
Yeah, wait, what? And the man look like he have ambition. Real ambition, man. You know them man, they when they know woman, but them look somebody even though they know say front of yourself and they want to take up somebody to be their wife or whatever. And he come over and say, baby, you know, so I like you. And me I say, hey, so now my friend over there say you talk to. And them I say, well, you look more, you know, attractive
but
and everything, and you look more sexy. And him I say, me like what me see.
But mommy, if I did I did Miss Sherman in that position, would have bust your head. You see the man talk to me and you come with your big body. I was so she don't have no bottom again, you know, you come with your big bottom.
I say that.
I bend over, hand for me, hand on me, but yeah. Me would have broke your back out there. You tap your woman business.
You know, say you idiot. Because if that woman did broke me back, you wouldn't dare Sophia tell me about if I were you would have broke me back.
No,
You damn fool.
No,
you should have glad say me do it else you wouldn't ban. Say sorry. You fool now. Oh, you that exist.
No, me that still exist.
No, and then a woman cannot bring you. And me did to bring her, that's why me bring her upon earth.
Mommy, I say.
So a hit, my mind tell me say a hit make she hobby the man.
Oh.
And alive him.
But mommy, I understand.
So now you not have no father, but me I feel
Mommy.
take shame out of me and chat about him and
Mommy.
they are fine. Me never know say a Charmian kill off the man. True she not get the man.
But mommy, look how Charmian kill off daddy, right? And she just walk up free and you still talk up. But you don't understand.
No, me not no sense. Me never hear what she say. If she say it out her,
oh, but the woman they go bust up her face. And she talk about your baby father. You never love daddy. They never did love daddy.
Me did love him, you know. But what can I do? He
Bust up
already
the girl
gone.
face now.
No, me not go no
Charmian
prison.
not gone.
Me
Nobody not gonna know.
Me not go no prison after
You
me
say that
old days.
nonsense?
Yeah. If me not do it already.
Any day name
You
them
know
me
much
see
fear
a
that
Charmian that me push down that. Any day name them me see Charmian that me a push down that ground flat. For what mother to my father. You don't understand.
What do you
But
mean
don't
you
worry.
not no sense? You have sense with the day with scammer.
Yes. Nobody can take my man from
Why
me.
you not go look at job?
No, me look at job already. You see, if you're there with a man,
That's a 9 to 5 job. You have to keep your eye on the man at all time so you don't get born.
And you work that? And you get paid?
Yeah. Let me tell you something.
What you say me fi do with Charmian? What you say me fi do with Charmian?
Go here, Jay,
What you say me should I do with Charmian? Just tell me.
Oh, I say she'll hug up Charmian.
Oh, what me hug you up? You have sense.
Yeah, me full of sense, me no
So when
idiot.
me see her, me go hug her up.
Yes.
Mm.
Me tell you something, me have this friend where every minute you have to watch him man. If you not watching him man give him bone. 24/7 she have to watch her man.
So I want job for Uno.
Yes!
But I don't know job for me not watch no man.
That's why I know man.
You, me no want no man then if that's so the case be. Me for the back of one man I watch him. For what? Make man uncomfortable. Then we go left here, then we go left here anyway.
No, mommy. If you walk back and pee cluck a heart down your neck, you know, left you. Cause I gonna say I'm mad girl enough for ramp with you.
Which school me did send you again?
Over Ireland.
And that the teacher then tell you?
No teacher never teach me that.
So where you get that from saying you have one man, if you didn't left you must walk back at them like a hawk.
Oh, it's experience.
Experience?
Yes, when I was in high school.
You did have to walk back. So a long time you there, man, and they come at me yard, come lay down in my bed with the rank in front. Eh? And you know like beard.
Mommy,
and you
anybody
wear your
front.
uniform go to school. If you rank with me out at about anybody front, man, me send up your back which part it come from. You think that you are 19, you're too out order. Me notice that they disrespect me from these last days. They have scamber. Eh? They have scamber,
Mommy,
man.
Me I can't go up on the road right now.
Why?
Go show you. What can my scamber man go show you?
For what?
For show you how he look good and he tick up and he sexy and cute.
Make sure you say dress
My man
properly.
sexy and cute, you know. He already dressed good. My man sexy and cute, man.
And make sure you say somebody we have ambition, but no scam by this. And let me sit down right so. It's alright. Go along.
Come.
Alright, babes, cause right now, I want to meet your mother, you know. I want to meet my mother-in-law.
Mommy,
Yes, the house look good.
see me scammer man, yeah.
I'm going to repair it. And
Me nice.
Move.
How are?
I'll change out them board.
Hello.
Them
We are
board
just
Focus na be and talk about where you go.
we are just make drop out of your throat.
Me say see me scammer man, yeah. Me nice,
Which
cute,
part?
sexy man.
See me here.
Just see me sexy man, yeah. You look past him.
We are sexy man there.
See man, that's
See me
I
here.
don't see nobody.
I remember you don't see nobody. You don't see me feeling. I'm in this,
I don't
man.
feel nothing.
No,
Me no
show
see
me money.
nobody.
Probably we see that and you show me money. I
Mm,
love
no
money.
mo- no
You used to
money.
work on the bridge.
I will. We have money, we have repair place, you know. So, what you want for
It's
repair?
us.
You want
Money look pretty.
You want to have a sexy daughter, you know. Turn on.
Which money?
Yeah, man, see that. Have a nice, sexy daughter.
You know see me mother?
Eh? You're 19. What does that have to do with this?
Give me money
Hello.
now. Give me money. You just touch
me
me.
You
smell
give one
something.
$20, don't worry.
I smell something.
Where smell?
Rubbish heap.
Oi! Hey! Mommy talk disrespect me, man. You couldn't act proper.
Me not see nobody. Me see one rubbish heaps. They right here some. Right now, me want one lighter. Go for the lighter. Come give me
You
light the
yourself,
rubbish
you
heap.
yourself a lighter.
Tell her
light
who me
him.
be. Tell her who me be.
I'm a scammer, man. This is full of money. You can't
Right.
diss me, man. Full of money. I go fix up a little old broke down place.
Right.
Oi, not sorry for this. You see this how God bless me with? You see how much years me have it? Eh?
How much years?
Long time before you're born and you are 19, so think about it. Don't worry yourself about it. Don't worry yourself about this year where they write you so. I mean, no want nothing from you. So I don't know you come chat, but you come fix up this
Yeah,
and
that-
put on this.
Beloved daughter,
Love
your daughter
daughter.
give one of the goodest bunks me ever get in my
And the
life.
worst mother-in-law you go get in your life. Come out of me and
That no
jump from.
matter. No, you in there with that, me in there with me. No busy if I don't like him.
So you say me can stay here.
Yeah, come go in a house now. Go show me
Go in a which
bedroom.
house?
In my room.
In a which room? You buy a bed in there? Tell me which nail
No,
you buy
man,
put
you
on
can't buy
this.
bed. You can't buy bed. Who
buy-
should pay for bed? You pay for that and we'll leave them for you.
John Crow, me say me no want nothing from you. Me no want no scamber, man.
You can't cuss.
Me no want no
You can't
scamber, man. A thief people the money you want come give me. You
No.
think you can sell me? Me no want nothing from you. God bless me. Not
How me teach the money?
you
Explain
thief it.
yourself.
You go up on the people them line and you chop off all like clothespin them off of
Listen
it.
me.
So they
You're
go find your
a
line.
wicked.
But make 2
I'm
cars.
about publisher and
Let me
warehouse.
teach you
Look
something.
here.
It's not
You're
thief.
thieves.
Let me show you something. It's not thief.
I want
You
take.
make 2 cars.
Mm.
I'm say you're a winner
Belly full.
of $1.5 million. And me tell you how much money for send and
You
you
can't
send it.
tell
Me
me
never
that.
go take you to your pocket.
Wicked.
So
Right.
Wicked.
Man, I'm not thief.
Me
No
never
wicked.
take you to your
Are
pocket.
you come here, you wanna come chat? You think you figure me and you what? You forgot me, you?
My mother.
So, we are rank with me so far?
Yeah.
True, you see, man. True, you see, man. You have no manners. So, true, you're 19 and you take big woman things when big woman forget your face, you're big. Because you're feather. Up there and down there now. So, me can't talk to you again. Remember, see your hand on my roof and we bust up your head. But you bring scamber man in my yard to come build house. Build house which part? You have land, so?
But the house there don't look good.
I me like it. I'm proud of it.
Over the bridge. And so she a Christian.
Awa.
And I got dismissal.
Awa.
And you are dismissal.
Yes, awa. That
But
was
me are-
then. This is now. Me not do that again. Me stop sell front a long time.
She still
What you talk about?
Oh, come
still
get
a-
done a while ago.
But
She's
for your
still
mama used to over there with we too.
She still a study because she not work
For your ma and me and Shamian used to sell front. What? So you come go on like.
You
Say
must
me no know you for a long time, Jankro. I did this a dog shit ya. You could take up a contract.
On a dog shit.
Scammer this and scammer that.
I mean
Take out
nice,
your
cute.
scammer man out of me yard.
I mean nice, cute, sexy man.
You see you don't say no nonsense.
No.
You know say no nonsense.
Look what me nice, clean, sexy
A
man.
broke pocket a thief. In go to
Ah, so
people
much money?
window and thief out human TV
I don't
out
business,
there.
as long as
When
you
he
have
live
money.
younger and lock up in a
At
jail
least you
3
have
months
money.
straight.
At least you have money. No
And me,
business.
mama come borrow money from Figure Bailey.
Let me
Own
teach you
up
something.
on this a dirty dog. Ya. Come out of me
Wow,
yard.
lady, baby.
Look how in dress. Look how in look. I don't have money in your boss, but you don't want 9 to 5. You is a idiot. Don't lick me that you damn bright. Come out of me yard, you damn criminal. Come out of me yard. How are you? How are you? Come out of me yard, boy. You damn filthy. Where come beat up me that in front of me?
Me not liquor.
So me fi be mother-in-law.
Me not liquor.
For your beating stick. Come out of me yard. You out of there.
Alright.
Come out.
Why
What?
Dr. Bill? Why Dr. Bill?
Dr. Bill?
Me back hurt me now and me neck.
$3.5 million.
Sure.
For the Dr. Bill.
You see, say your mama
out the money.
licky.
Like your pooper. Come out of me yard. All you down with him too. And no come
on,
back
yeah.
in me yard.
Don't worry your head. You
Crosses.
have a good house.
Come out of me yard. You know, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard for a pop up it too on with it. Damn bright. Come back in me yard but you carry scammer come here. You know, no scammer and scammer. But you want build house. Build house where? Which part? Me alright till God bless me. Dirty girl come take himself a come turn one piece of crosses from God and somehow know if it dash you no look your hole, you know. Sure.
Baba. No, listen. Listen up. We already gonna get that done. Baba Tunde. Yes. When me say you don't understand the situation. All the while we can cope with that, you know. You understand? Baba Tunde, man. Come on, man. Do better than that, Baba Tunde. She don't reach ya.
Me.
Oh. All right, bossy. Don't worry your head. They got it, yeah. The package, yeah. Yeah, man. They got the package. So just line up where you line up. Yeah, man.
Money come.
Yeah, yes. Rich more. Bless. Give my friend the phone there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get you, man. I'm safe. All right. God bless you. I'll see you soon. Yeah.
How much me I get so tight now? How much me I get so tight money?
20 million.
So much.
Yes!
Bomba!
All you have to do, I just follow me. I just go there.
Follow go away.
Maybe I go somewhere, man. I will just normalize out and wait. Sit down and wait for the money like a G, you know?
We got a bank. We're sitting and waiting a line.
Yes, but
Bank go put so much money now in the hand.
I don't know if you mean.
And then you go get up on your account.
You know me hand. No, I'm bad.
You get 2 million.
No, man, I get 20 million.
Oh!
It's not 20 million.
20 million me wanna get for myself.
But
so me
you
can do up my body more.
But think me having out of time.
And me can do me hair.
Huh?
Me can do all me hair now, cause I want a new hairstyle, cause my hair look mash out.
Yeah,
Me need a
man.
new hairstyle, me need a brand new iPhone 17 Pro
In
Max.
the next future, you can do that.
No, this a future, yeah, me I do everything. Buy up some new clothes, I want a new Crocs. And buy you some clothes, so me want this about your clothes.
Yeah, man, you're not allowed any time if you say it in the future, but anyway.
Why?
Because I'm a dress.
Oh, you're going to dress. Come on,
you
look for money now.
Eh?
You for money now.
I think they will do, but we have to go over here to give you this.
Come go back, but you come back to that. We are different things.
Still learn.
No.
Alright. Go and talk, man.
What did you say there?
Nothing. Go and talk.
Go on, yes, sir.
We don't pay them no man, pay me man. Come we go the back now.
Go on, go on.
Hi.
You alright?
No.
What
What are you doing right here?
Hey, girl, you are go touching my son-in-law. Hey, girl, me never warn you. Me never warn you. Move and go from here, so. So you see, girl.
Why is you running my package?
But don't tell you, say, my daughter, if you're with. This is the package.
Oh!
My daughter is a good girl.
You can't work both ways true. I see him.
Both ways, no, she not come back. That can't come back to
We
you.
don't talk about that. This package can be the same. Because of my girl, I'm going the same way. So the package is the same thing. So no matter, you can't get the money. $20 million upon the road as offer, you know? You buy, you just do what you want. Otherwise, I'm buying that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Do it. Can't talk. Me, I don't know what time. I don't know what time. You are no money.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You see, then go chill today.
Huh? Where? Well, me never know about that.
No.
So, if me never come here, so I see you that can't go chill with.
No, you're mad.
I want to me a backup to you.
No, I'm not deal with them mosquito there. Mosquito that you know, you feel like guy cup. I'm not deal with them something them man. And you me away pan, but I excuse me them make with her. You could have gone a long time.
So we are go chill.
Over here to first, or chill for your hour. We have hour and 20 minutes left. So you know what I'm saying,
Mm-hmm.
you see, tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
I write your check.
All right. I catch me deal with, why the check thing not really work because I know too much people who rely upon it and then it bounce like
back.
a kangaroo.
Okay. So you are cash. For you, 10 million. 10 million in cash. So you can do
All right, me can go.
right.
Come
No, man, I'm not saying go help him, man. All right.
You know, remember, you know, Africa between there, you know. Anybody asks if you, they're foreign because me go get the money in the hand tomorrow, but I see her until maybe
Next year.
yeah,
Let me go.
foreign.
Me not have passport now,
Don't
visa.
worry about that. Never look about that for you.
When?
Tomorrow.
What? Passport and visa don't come one day and visa not easy to get.
Me have a link in the embassy. What I'm saying, man, mommy, check me.
So suppose me now want to go foreign. Yeah, make decision for me without asking. Me not afraid of fall.
Relax about that, no, man. Come on, now, we have a lot of time. We have 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Time, I want. You have a
So
flight
you-
to catch?
Yes! So, mommy, yeah. I'll see you, yeah?
All right. Later. Tomorrow.
No, we will take care of that. Don't worry about that.
Tomorrow. All right.
Mommy, oi. Mommy, this.
What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Oh God, man, mommy. Oh God, mommy, they do it, mommy, they do it, mommy.
Yeah?
She take me, man.
Who take your man?
You see, your friends, my people that talk to me, man, and beat me.
Then you did have one man for yourself?
Mommy, see them, mommy, take you.
Take out the care.
My man left me and bees bite me.
Oh God, hush. I think that, you know.
Still
Sorry,
one little
here.
piece still in there, man. I forgot to cut it when me done.
I done me quiz out it. Where did I say about the idiot then?
Yeah, say Charmaine beat me and kept me man getting daughter. Him bigger daughter with your hearing and brain.
Lord have
Oh, but me man.
You don't sound like you're ball, you sound like you're laugh. You're not glad? You like stress?
Well, but me like me man. He have money and he cute and sexy.
Get up. You know no sense. Where say Charmaine beat you and take your man, your daughter.
Yes.
And you vex about that.
Yes.
I want to be them by me now where they follow you. Listen.
money.
Me, but you know none. Listen. And you vex about this, Charmaine?
Yes. No one but me man.
Oh,
No me
God.
man.
Oh, God.
Come on, beat my girl.
Beat which girl? Charmaine never beat you good. Charmaine did fi bust your ass. But you say beat, that mean I want to see one little baby touch so. And so she do be a fist like that and grab it. Oh God.
Hell, I love kick.
I mean kick you in your backside.
Oh,
And
but
you don't feel it.
I feel it, but me feel me man gone worse.
Oh God, come here.
Oh, but me man. Oh God. Oh, me man left me girl, you know, mommy. And me man left me. Whoa!
Charmaine, never bust your ass properly. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, we are going.
That fit teacher say, you know if you take people man.
I never take no
I
man.
know for your man.
Mommy, when we see the man say he not seen anybody. And mommy, even if he not see somebody,
You know,
at
I waste
2
my
years,
time
he have, you know,
about you,
at 2 years, he can look for she over there and look for me over here, so.
Me warn you 1,000,000 times. Leave this scamber them alone. Them not have one woman. Them have many women. But you're not here. Oh, mommy this, mommy that. Me no want no 9 to 5. A scamber man me want because
I'll
when
get him
they
back.
chop off all the
Alright.
clothes in them off of the line.
forgot find
And
another
you get everything for free. Easy come, easy go. You want easy lifestyle and you don't want work. Sorry for you. Me sorry for your condition. Me no have no shampoo. You're lucky, Charmaine. Should have bust your ass like a
Take
more.
me man.
Who take your man?
Charmaine and in daughter. And you just a cause before you go defend me, man.
Me fi defend you. After me they want you so long. Until you say better you talk to the work. Hotel 9 to 5. You boast about. Me no want them the man they will work 9 to 5.
No bother with you.
What you mean about that?
Me done a ball already and me start to lose man. No bother with that a disgusting man there. Like a broke pocket dog.
You really talk about the young nice guy when me see that ambitious
He no
boy.
cute and sexy.
Here you. So, the little dirty butterfoot, scamber, where you care? Come here, Lord have mercy. What kind of man that? Cute and nice and sexy.
Yes, you say roll like a
You know, see a fool, me no want to hold no more conversation with you. Go on in, go wash up your dirty plate then.
No, wash no plate.
Go on in. Charmaine should have bust your ass 10 more times.
Mommy. Mommy. Oh, why you like your purse? Eh?
Where you come down and so they frighten me so far?
Show you say me a bad girl now. You didn't know say the little two guy Shami and she see me today again. Go and she want come beat me. Cause me go see me go by and go see her dad up there with the man, you know. I go see her that. Me say, mommy, me did me a friend, you know, when I tell me feel like me know a little people. You know, little people come here panty, I say come and podcast, me did me say, if you think you're bad, put on for me. Some me have one ticket and I say, if you think you're bad, put on for me. Cause if you ever touch me, no, mommy, me and I would have roll. I would have mash her up there. But it come like see a God just say, walk with the man. So me just walk with the man and say, that is it. Holy pass scammer up there.
You know, look, put on the lip on Charmaine or kiss all dirty idiot.
No, man, me just stop off of Charmaine. I said, mother, me just stop off of them. And one at a time, me just chuck Charmaine and she say, and I kick up her foot, and I kick up her foot, and I kick up her foot. But me never want no kick because she come like she a donkey. So I come on me hard. But that earlier night day happened. But one at a time, you know. If you do to her.
Make she leave you alone. Different from
What's up, big girl face?
no, different from you and her daughter. They take on one another man. You know, me no business.
No, me can't take him on no.
New beginning. More scammer out there. And better scammer out there. Yeah. Come say, mommy, me just walk and say that. And the next thing too, me hear him on the phone and talk about. Me have two.
Good evening.
How much is it if you don't call to me?
Good.
Oh yeah.
Me talk to you.
Have respect and manners.
Me not take long. Sorry, Kayla.
Hello, young man. How are you? You're looking nice today. You look so happy. Like you win lotto, man.
Auntie, I'm born me. I tell
You
us.
can't broke and win lotto. Broke pocket people can't win lotto.
We are talk.
Yeah, born me. I tell us.
Have manners.
Me dey work towards a little promotion and boss dey chat to me and so. All right. I tell you but you know say. Me get the promotion though. So now me get 200 extra thousand for my weekly.
Thank God.
So right now.
Mother must proud of you.
Oh God, man. Right now, mommy so happy. You not even know. But really and truly, when I come over you, I really and truly, I want 100,000 more of your car.
Oh God.
Hey, oi. Come back over here, so stay one side.
Beat me boots.
Stick to the left. Make me stay right. Me not business with your dirty boots.
So I just start more and tell you, because you words of encouragement.
Yes, the word.
Hey, you're not for your
Mama
man.
said this to that look me and my man.
No,
You
you
say
know,
so
you
hard,
The
man.
people them pick me alone. You never want him. Remember, say 9 to 5 window. Watch out. Where
Me a block his to me man.
Which one?
See there? Me knew John body man $1 million.
How do she? Anyway, thank you very much. I'm
Oh, dear.
come to something good in life. You see, my daughter, I'll do a flip it. They tell you, see them a come
Sexy woman for there with. Sexy woman for
one
there.
side, you know, one
Sexy and nice.
I'm not going over this one.
I want to
Hey, my daughter tell me say you said something the other day and I mean they take notice. Oh God. Oh, you hobby for me baby father and kill him. Shani na say wicked. Come on and so to me.
Mommy, me a tell me man.
Baby gone. Baby gone.
No, me could have been your mother. Stop it. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, but embarrass me.
Tell me say you're sorry.
Oh God.
You soon deal with your case, you know. Come, tell your mother say you're sorry, man.
Come and say sorry for embarrass me.
If you want your mother, you forget shame.
Miss you alright.
What wrong with you?
Baby gone.
What should you be
You wicked witch. Kill me baby father and come ball now. What kind of excitement you come to do again?
I come to say me sorry.
Come to say
Baby
sorry.
gone.
Sorry, say
Baby
your baby
gone.
gone. You hear
What
say?
about?
What you say? Sorry, say your baby gone.
Him killer.
Who
Him
kill
on
her?
a live heart. Who? All decapitated. Me just a
Which
confront
baby?
station. Identifier. And I know head.
Her
And
baby
I
gone.
know hand. My baby.
She actually a baby.
Oh God.
What they talk about? That?
Oh God. I feel sick. You go vomit.
Charmian, nobody
Oh God.
Nobody because wicked things happen to wicked people. Charmian, what happened to you?
Oh God. It look like said them sacrifice my baby.
Oh, your daughter?
Yeah.
And daughter did I say, oh God.
Did I know head? No, and I cut off everything. I'll take out her inside. I want
Hey,
her hug she have. Let me recognize.
A joke she have, must come she come for beg for forgiveness. You never believe what she has said.
Hold on.
Me just say for your daughter earlier in the day, but so you man the scammer. When you come like you want beat me again, I'm have to chuck you. Eh? So you come about now.
She leave out with him.
No, look, I water the she apply for food. A ball.
No, I laugh my laugh.
Charmian. You look like a serious sick. No God. Your daughter analyze.
This is bigger than me. I have to let you. Just send me an account and I'll send a piece of money. Here.
Alright,
number.
go on.
Tina number.
Alright, my son. Alright.
Put in a number now.
Stay
Sexy
one side.
boy.
Yeah, 9 to 5 in November.
Mr. Martin 9 to 5, yeah, money now.
Christ. You soon deal with fake case. Oh God, although she's so wicked, make you help. Oh God. Hello, wait. Hey, number that Hey! Turn up. Wait, Charmian, where you say? Your daughter on alive?
Yeah.
So are the same scammer boy where? You the war for me daughter for? And give for your daughter.
Oh God, me
Hey,
take me daughter
God.
out of frying pan, put her in the fire.
Charmian, look how me did that talk to you. Charmian, look how me talk to you. But you never the listen. And you tell us to leave this scammer them alone. You look too much freeness. That's what freeness do. Easy lifestyle. Take your life before time. You must learn to listen. You cuss me out. I'm your friend for a long time. But I told you used to sell front Palm Bridge. Remember me now, forgot. But we done. And you still have the intention to push that the kind of lifestyle in your daughter. Shami is a wicked woman. I know you come and ball. Are you kill your daughter?
I say so.
And you push her in where she gone in. All you limb off every weapon or you do it.
I come to you as
Spiritually, you do it, but the boy do it physically. Shami is a wicked come out of me yard. Worst thing,
I can't take this.
No, take it.
No, we can't take this.
You kill me, baby father. Shami, me sorry for you, but me not tell you like God, I go punish you.
See that beat him when your baby daddy.
Oh God.
She not trying to take
Yeah.
Repeat with me. Say wicked things happen to wicked people.
Wicked things happen to wicked people. Put in the boy number in my phone.
Which boy?
The 9 to 5.
Go on this part of the book. I'm give me 100,000 and you're not get it. You're bright.
Well, going on, me get the man too. Every man you fight me, you see you fight me to the scammer and also you fight me to the 9 to 5.
And my son, me no want him. Remember that?
Give me a money, man.
You should have listened to me and stick to the 9 to 5.
Don't worry yourself.
No, you want scam.
Me I go feel right now.
You hand, foot, head, eyeball, everywhere gone.